Good evening, everybody. I'm a mediocre white guy who was really good in college and didn't pan out in the NBA. We're here live at Madison Square Garden for the NBA draft, where the New York Knickerbockers, the home team, have the 9th pick in the draft. Let's go down to Adam Silver, the commissioner, and see who they're going to select. Big Bully is still on the board, and people are clamoring for him to get drafted. Bully, we love you, Bully! Big Bully! Bully, Bully's that nigga, yo!
What's up, Big Bully, bro?
Shout the Big Bully!
Big Bully, we love you, man!
Hello, everybody. I'm Adam Silver. I'm commissioner of the league. Yes, I do realize that I look like Nosferatu in Earthworm Jim did the fusion dance. I'm aware of that. With the 9th pick in the NBA draft for 2018, the Knicks select big. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong envelope. From the college, from Staten Island Community College, shooting guard, Michael Anthony Prosciutto.
What the fuck?
What the fuck, guy? What the fuck? This guy sucks. What the fuck is this guy? This guy's out of here. What the fuck is wrong with this guy?
Thank you. Hey, I'd like to thank first and foremost Julio, for training me and bringing me over here. Hey guys, if you give me a chance, I think I could turn things around here with this franchise. Red Panther's been fucking up lately. Me and Julio, I think we can make a potent backcourt. He supplies the raw, I supply the nods. And I'm just really happy to be here playing in New York, my hometown, It's a lot of Mullignans here, but, it is what it is. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Julio. No shout out to my fucking pops, the fucking pig bastard, and my fucking cunt of a mother. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you all.
Fuck your mother. Fuck your mother.
I'm very glad to be playing here.
Are you not fucking serious?
Yeah.
Do that fucking asses right on the fucking mother
What? Yeah, because you're a fucking bitch, Mom.
Wow.
You're a fucking bitch. Yeah, you see all these other Mullignans, they fucking get drafted, they hug their mother. They hug their mother.
There'll be no games
Yeah.
to do it for me. John Starks is wild copy.
Oh, you know what? I didn't need to know that.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I knew Dad had a fucking little
See
dick.
how the New York did.
Fuck, oh my God. New York, go. Do the fucking drop. I'm dropping 40 grams.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Bodega Boys in the building! Coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. Shout out to Callie Live on Twitter, who yesterday made the worst tweet I've ever seen. She said, I cannot remember the address to Red Bull Studios.
Wow.
I know the address to Red Bull Studios better than I know my own address.
Bruh.
Literally, this is how I remember the address to Red Bull Studios. It's
just pops in your head.
What is it? 220 West 18th Street.
You know what I'm saying? It's like the Cars for Kids. Like, how do you not know that?
1-800. Even though Cars for Kids is a scam, and they use it to do some Hasidic Jew recruitment camp. But you know what? Hey, listen, this shit's working.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't be mad if that shit's working. You couldn't come up with your own scam.
You know what I mean? Come up with your own hustle,
I'm about to do
nigga.
Cars for Kids for Jamaica.
Don't knock the next man's hustle.
That's right. Wait for you see the billboard for cassava for kids. Yeah. Yeah, donate.
The Mero presents Barrels for Babies.
Barrel for babies. Platinos for poppies. Yeah. We got this. Manduros for Mama Wave. Hey, listen up. Follow your nose at Red Bull Studios. You can smell.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
can smell the flavors. We got we got blueberry, we got red, we got yellow. And don't forget for the summer we got the white flavor. No, it's not for MAGA. It's coconut
berry.
Coconuts.
With a splash of berry.
As Maccabee would say, coconuts, because coconut is probably good or something.
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's
I
good.
don't know.
It's good.
I don't talk to Maccabee.
You know what I'm saying?
We haven't talked since Thanksgiving. He acted up. He came through with the cucumber.
Oh, he
I was like, my nephew's here. Put
he
that
said
away.
some problematic things
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, you know how it is.
The cucumber for the woman.
I was like,
You know?
listen, you problematic, but problematic babe. It's your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pockets Stay Fat Like Terrio, a.k.a. Chris Stats for a Sling Dick. That's right, I'm in recovery. I'm talking to Fritz. I'm coming back. Eli Libby, Butcher Butcher goes, so bad down. I'm like, no, yeah, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego. Just like to point out that my AKAs are longer than Pusha T's album. Mr. Nando's Orlando, 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC, look, pulling up with 40, which is shorty. Okay, listen. Talk to me in Oprah, man. I don't know you.
It's been a long day.
Listen, and also let's
it's hot
change.
now. Like it's humid.
It's humid. I don't know. They're like, Pop, you want AC? You want the windows down? I'm like, what do you usually drive with?
What do you
like?
like?
Why are you putting these? Why is this my choice
Why
now?
is this, why you putting this on me?
And then Lyft now. If you cancel your Lyft, it's $10. Like what the
Nah,
fuck?
bro, y'all doing too much.
Fam, like I got $10. The average person got $10. I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
But
But
think about the common man.
you think about the common man. You know what I'm saying? Open your third eye.
You know what I'm saying?
Think about the brother man in the other land. You know what I'm saying? The original plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Did I say don't talk to me, no people?
Yes.
I believe I said it. I just want to reiterate it.
Yeah,
I've gotten in.
don't.
I've been saying it for like 10 minutes. I was like, by the way, I just want to let you guys know, I'm on TV.
Yeah, so
Popping show, number one show on late night, none but less years.
So please
Don't talk to me.
Don't look at me.
Please don't
talk
take
to
any photos of me. Do not tell your friends that you're in the car with Desus Nice at Desus Nice at Twitter
Please
and
stop.
Instagram.
No.
You know what I'm saying? Like, please do not mention that you're riding with one of the Bodega Boys, most illustrious podcasts in the world. I need to respect my agency.
That's right.
I'm taking photos with them and tagging
Like,
them.
yo,
Like,
what up? Yo.
don't post that.
Yo, what's your
Don't
name?
post that. Respect my agency. There are no plus one, got plus one, so don't make a fuss.
No.
These Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocados, Young Pop, the Ghost of Mufasa.
Whoa.
The Ghost of Mufasa because he's dead, nigga.
Yeah.
Scar was like, yo, Simba, how you feel? Happy Father's Day. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh,
my bad. I
Wait,
thought-
say that shit, man.
Sorry,
Sassy,
there's
like,
a sore spot.
hey, Simba. Happy Father's Day.
What are you gonna do? Go to brunch? You
your
fucking jerk.
Guess what? Your father's a fly.
Scar was mad zesty though.
He was beyond zesty.
He's like beyond zesty.
He was beyond zesty. He was
Him
like,
and Jafar,
Make
like, all
a
the-
scene. Make
Yes,
a scene.
bitch,
Yes.
bitch. I was like, that's the only line that could duck walk. I was
Yes.
like, all right, shout
I was
out.
like, how you doing? How you having a ball in the Serengeti, my nigga? Like, young charcuterie at the coonery, aka chilling in the moment, left hand relief for the Yankees. K, low, K.
Oh, Bobby
Vasquez
Tamarindo.
Makuzaka. Yeah. You remember Walk For Me Wednesdays?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bobby,
Scar was in
it
that shit. Yeah. Shout out to everyone that get that reference. Vasquez Makuzaka, do full show. Jesus and Machina, J. Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's like, dilute.
3 times.
Dilute, man. Leonardo DiCaprio with the 240 because I like my Pinot blurry. I like to not know if that's pubic hair or if it didn't download properly.
You know what I'm saying?
Are those artifacts from a re-rendered real media file? I'll
right.
never know.
You know what I'm saying? Peter North got the mullet.
You look at the old blurry shit. You're like, damn, this is before condoms. Wow. There's always that chance you look at the same Pinot that your father jerked to.
Yeah. That's
you
like,
gotta fucking break the barrier, man. Don't cross the streams, bro.
No, don't do it.
DJ Woolley, aka listen to Wash FM. Up next, we got 2 hours of Devin the Dude.
Oh my god.
Gooby Ashtray. Yeah.
Yeah.
We got the Curry Goat, D Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain Go in your Tupperware container. Look for all the Tupperware you can. Guess what? Put me in it, and I'll be like, ha 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 ha. That's not the top for it. Also, the bottom of this looks dirty. It's clean, but I know it looks dirty. Do you remember where the job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Budcoast, Nelson Bangdella. Sergio, you can't see me. Wow, we're still going. Vladimir Buffin, the human's words, nothing in your mouth. Mr. Bexal Decadent. Ricky Ticky Squabby.
That's right.
Greg Bob. I'll let that just open up this.
Yeah, take that sentence.
You ever open a can of corned beef? Yeah. More say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi.
Straight out the pantry.
Not back and be like at the cucumber. He's impressed, but your boy.
Never.
I am Nord, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Cast Nova, William makes sense. 5, 10, $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money. What you want? Come with the big money. Well, I try to bring bun and cheese with it at festival. They're like, no,
give
it's
it to
too
them.
much.
Give it to them.
Too much. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo, don't cheese me.
I want to say rest in peace to all my secret family in Mississauga. They had a little bomb explosion there. I know you guys are good. I'll call you when I get a chance. Can't right now because wife is watching the phone. In South Park, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Pro Stuff with soda, and who's that behind the baking powder? It's me,
Hello, hey.
David Yurman, DJ Expansive, DJ Bloody Shoes. See Cardi going off on Instagram yesterday?
Yes.
God damn.
She's like, nigga, I went to BSCC. I have an education, stupid.
I was like, all right, relax, man, relax. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coolanen. I'm the coolest gay killer in this side of Miami.
That's
right.
right.
You flop, let me stab you.
You thought it was a pool boy,
I can
nigga?
stab you from the top or stab you as a bottom.
Yeah. Versatile.
AKA the Junior Energy God. Come sit down, Tommy Charger.
Say wine pon it. Sit pon it.
No wireless charger. No.
This accessory may not be supported, but sit pon it anyway.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on free.
Oh, shit.
Shout out to everyone that does not get that reference. They're like, what? That's very misogynistic.
Yo, y'all need to be watching Dog Show after the fucking Thanksgiving Day parade, B.
Dog Show.
know what I'm
Mr.
saying?
Shopping that street easy with bad breeds like I'm easy. Please believe me. Like I'm easy, but not crazy like I'm easy. Like I'm easy like the eccentric easy. Not wild easy like,
When he
yo,
was like, yo,
yo. Golfers live in holes because they were told they live in holes. But if they didn't want to live in holes, they wouldn't have to live in holes.
That's right.
And Kim's like, he's so deep.
Yeah.
Look at our mulatto kids. The black Asiatic crack your back like automatic crackmatic, Mr. Lamarina, mesmeric, a fresh meter, a cold demeanor, aka a problematic babe. Wow. That's right, Ma. Get all the butt injections in your butt. Don't place any in your thighs. No one will notice.
Nobody cares.
Everyone likes when you look like a sexy Mr. Pretzel.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? When you got the junior high thighs with the high school cheeks.
She got the dumb legs.
Yeah.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Yo, you know what it is, man. Let me take a sip of this glorious energy nectar.
Red Bull gives you wings. Shout to Red Bull, the sponsor. You know what it is.
Oh, yeah, motherfucker. Yeah. Oh, damn, that shit give me so much energy. I'm about to send a nigga a G in square cash. Ha ha, motherfucker.
Hey.
Yo, it's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Vibe, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. A.k.a. Skirt loader, half the curb hitter, baby. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Keep it moving. I got the flippy plates, nigga. I'm just flipping around and give you a fake plate. I ain't no fucking baby, nigga. I fucking man.
He's a man.
You know what I'm saying?
He's
AKA, check the guest list again, nigga. I'm on it right there, right next to Kylie Jenner's Asian ass baby. And no, I'm not stepping to the side while you check, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bathia, AKA I just bought the community pool and barred everybody kids except mine, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year, AKA Ben Smack me on
That's a
both.
flex.
You know what I'm saying? I just told the mayor, I was like, yo, nigga, fall the fuck back.
Wow.
Unless you really slap box with no shirts on the Ave.
Is that the kid Mero?
Yeah,
The security
nigga.
details like, yo,
Shut it down.
That's a real nigga.
Yeah.
That's a real nigga.
Nigga give you $150, stop playing games. You know what I'm saying? So my son to chop your face. AKA dick in your baby Mutombo, you know, come with this pussy no more, my nigga. This pussy belong to me now. That's it. Okay?
Straight facts.
I'm top 50 pussy takers of all time.
Straight
Check
facts.
the stats, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA bottle Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep with the wheel and crash the accord. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch me at Locksmith every fucking weekend, nigga, wilding the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? Taking all type of wild pictures. You know what I'm saying? Doing all type of stupid shit. Smoking Newports backwards, nigga. All that. AKA, swipe my card again, nigga. There's definitely money on it. Fucking yo, listen, man. Put the plastic bag on it, man. You're embarrassing us both right now. Stop this shit. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. Y'all kiss your girlfriend on the mouth at United Palace, nigga. Don't play with me. AKA Lionel Dutchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got five, bro.
You got five.
You got five, bro. How you got five, bro?
Not for nothing. I
Like-
mean, listen, I don't mean to be disrespectful. If you don't got five, kill yourself.
Kill yourself.
Just jump in front of a train.
Just do it right now.
Just do it right now.
Go ahead, do it.
Die for the hive.
The $5 challenge.
Don't got the five, die for the hive. Don't got the five, die for the hive. Don't got the five, die for the hive. Don't got the five, die for the hive.
Yeah, damn, somebody's gonna do it.
Can't wait for that chant the next show. Oh, you broke people, kill yourselves.
AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, but we still winning the AFC. AKA Phil the ass Tyson. I would explore your cosmos, man. You'll leave those panties in the hamper, my nigga. I'm trying to smell them before you put them in the wash. You feel me?
That's nasty and hot at the same time.
Yeah,
See got a little discharge in there?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Little nasty there?
Nasty. You know what I'm saying? AKA say Friday out Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zeno Betterfield. I gotta get some sticks.
Yeah.
I gotta get some sticks.
That's right.
AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Smoke with him where?
At Mama Sushi.
Mama Sushi is a very popular spot uptown.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. You know what I'm saying?
They have a child there working. It's not
Yes. P.O.'s there making drinks. He's a mixologist now. You know what I'm saying?
Is P.O. running for president in 2020?
Fam,
We got to get these
might as
P.O.
well.
2020 shirts going.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? They got the Balenciaga shit. Like, we got to do the
P.O.
P.O.
Little Tay 2020.
Let's get it.
You broke countries. Y'all not I'm the number one flexer. I'm only 9 years old,
You know what
and
I'm
I'm
saying?
pulling out the London Trade Accord.
Fuck
Y'all
outta
don't
here.
even know what's going on.
Y'all stupid, yo.
Y'all stupid. Like,
Yo.
listen, I'm lifting embargoes on Korea. Y'all
Fuck
don't even
that.
know what's going on.
Y'all mad
I'm the
pussy.
biggest flexer.
Yo, I got mad money and I fucking fixed Obamacare, nigga. I brought that shit back from the dead, yo.
Yo, you
stupid.
broke boys. Like, y'all can't even pull
Fuck
out a
outta
NAFTA.
here.
Like, what are y'all doing?
What is wrong with y'all? Y'all cornballs. I'm making mad pipelines everywhere, nigga. I don't care. I'm putting them shits in Alaska.
P.O.'s like, give it up for the Secretary of State, 6'9". He's in the UN like, I need y'all to stand down and disarm because we got the sticky now.
Yo,
North Korea got the blicky.
Yeah, they got the blicky sticky wicky. If that nigga was Secretary of State, bro, we'd be at war
We be at
constantly.
war with everybody.
Yo, everybody.
He talking about shit like, yo, Saudi Arabia said I gotta check in before I come to Saudi. I'm in
checking
Saudi.
the-
Look, I'm on a camel right now. I ain't checking
now.
with nobody. I ain't checking with no big homie.
You know what
Fuck
I'm saying?
that.
With the
I'm
random-
in the oil field right now.
That's right. I'm in the oil field, nigga. And you know what I'm saying? And I got a random South American
You know what
soccer
it is?
jersey on.
Conway shit. You know what it is? This nigga just driving through Dubai with one shoe on and shit.
Yo, AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your head with Takashi's head. Now you are literally a dickhead.
Woo.
You're welcome. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. You know who it is. It's the Zed Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport. AKA Nino Brown. Niggas got garbage on the way. I got the shit 2 for 5. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from Jimbo's on Burnside. It's the East Tremont CVB doing all his greatest hits. Dope Sick Love. Come back to me. And I want to be the one your DD is fucking.
Hello,
You know what I'm saying?
That was my shit, Bobby. Remember back in the fever days, you know, we used to go on to this. Yeah, fine, that was fun
I had
time.
Marco Di Lorenzo. He gave me the dome. I
Yeah,
gave
you
him the
know.
dome. I don't remember.
But it was different back then,
It was
Bobby,
different.
you
He was
know.
on New York cover, so it was kind of a flex for me to suck him off. Or him, so we are whatever.
Yeah,
It was 95.
It was 95.
It was 95. You know what I mean?
good.
Like, niggas wasn't gay. Niggas was just like,
It
we
was
didn't have the
just-
internet.
we
That's
was
all it
just-
was.
We was just having fun, you know. I got that
I got
nigga
my.
shit. Like,
Remember the time Whitney Houston ate my butt at the shark bar?
yeah, bro. Yeah, the shit made you gag. You was like, "Bleh."
Hey, listen, mate. The only rock stars left. You know what I'm saying? There's none left. It's only the Bodega Boys, and it's your boy. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a 20 bag of yay from 2005.
2020.
God damn, yo. It's your boy Barlow. You know what I'm saying? Pull it from 40, nigga. I don't care if I average 8 points, but I'm not coming off the motherfucking bench, nigga.
No.
Absolutely fucking not. It's your boy Barmelos Anthony.
For 3.
Wow, what a brick. If you see me at Target in the family restroom trying to stick a Dyson vacuum cleaner down my leg, mind yours, nigga. Mind your fucking neck, B.
John, he's stealing.
Yo, mind your fucking business, John. Before I fucking give you a swirly, nigga, in this handicap stall, nigga. Approach me like an Ursa mammal and respect my cubs. You know what I'm saying? AKA I so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high on Fabuloso Snapple Apple talking about I get money from my bank. I get money from my bank. All my diamonds is fake. All my diamonds is fake. Yeah. ¿Qué lo que? Ey, espérate. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Dime a ver, malocorita. Llegó el ejército y FIFA acabando con todo en coño, en Gucci. Bajando con la funda de la paca. Más cadena que una fábrica de bicicleta, mamagüevo. Llega el flow, si tú eres guapo, jala, mamagüevo. Y que yo ando con el 45 como Miguel Banks. Oíste, llégale. Blindeado, pariguayo. No te pases que te dejo tirado. Me quité. Ya.
Wow. Is this real? Is this? You guys remember a little rapper by the name of?
I remember one day, right? We was walking in this motherfucking store, right? There's this old lady in there. She was behind the cash register. I think her husband, it was just her husband. He was way back in the store, right? Not fixing some shit. I don't know what the fuck he was doing, but me and Rack walked up in there, right? I'm looking at the leathers and you know, they had some silks you could sell, right? So then, after that, motherfucking Rack, he grabbed the leather coat, folded up, and he threw it up the back, right? And as soon as he did that, all you hear was the lady screaming,
John, they're stealing!
camcorder singing.
Shout out to Thurston How the Third and Rack Low. You know what I'm saying? Real hip hop. Real hip hop. Also, Thurston How the Third looks exactly like Mero, and I have a lot of questions right now. I have a lot. Wow.
Shout out to the Polo Rican.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my
let me
boosters.
find out you was running out of Macy's with mad fucking jackets and shit, get right like 2 trade. This nigga.
Yo.
Man.
Shout out to all my low lives. You know what I'm
low
saying? You know
lives.
what I'm saying?
Not the weekend ones. We talking about the stealing low.
The
shit.
stealing low lives.
Not low lives because you want mad opioids and lying down on the floor and shit like that. Like, yo. I can't feel my face. Knocking on the door like,
Yo.
room service.
Yo.
Nigga got the fucking do not disturb shit on his dick. He's on the bed like, yo. Yeah, rockstar lifestyle can't be.
Yeah, might not make
it. That actually sounds very poetic if you say it like a certain way. Rockstar lifestyle might not make it. Oh, it's been a
Who
good
said
week.
that?
Did you watch the game yesterday?
Did Ray Sherman say that? Yeah. And again, like, I didn't do the Mero Diamond shit because I don't want to encourage sports gambling where it's not legal. But if you are a legal sports gambler, I would have told you to take the Rockets and the under yesterday.
Did you?
You know what I'm saying?
You felt it strongly?
I felt it very strongly.
That was a good
like,
game. You know how good that game was? I didn't want to turn to our show.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck
That's
this.
a fact. I was watching shit. I was like, yo, I was on live and I was like, oh shit, the game is on. Fuck this shit.
I was like, nah. I was
You know
like,
what I'm
I was like, decent, Mero. I'll catch that shit later.
I hate record series.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, yo, that shit was like, you know what? I was dope because it was a game all the way through. You know what I'm saying? Like usually Golden State games, like niggas are up by 58,000 points at the half, and you're like, yo, what is the point of this game? Well, I'm wasting time.
Yeah.
It's like baseball, like the third and fourth inning of baseball. It's just like, nigga, I can sleep now
Oh, that's every Nick game.
and wake up by the sixth.
Every
you know what I'm
Nick
saying?
game. You're like, oh. You're just like, yo, what the fuck? I don't gotta watch this whole shit. Fuck this. Don't need this shit. Tune in to the end, watch the shit end. Like, to the last 2 minutes, like, oh, damn, we're so close.
Hey, guess what? Today's National Wine Day.
Oh, wine pandakaki?
Dude,
Is that what kind of wine we're doing? Or?
is that that's my favorite kind of wine. I'm not gonna hold you.
Wine pandakaki now. Wine pandakaki.
Would you like a Malbec, a Pinot? No, I would like a wine pandikaki.
Damn.
Please, thank you.
Damn.
I
Wine
enjoy,
pandakaki.
I enjoy a Malbec.
You like enjoy wine? I'm not a big wine fan.
You're not a big wine drinker? What's
Nah.
your drink of choice? Beck's?
Beck's.
Obviously, right?
I enjoy a good Pilsner.
Pilsner?
I like the water-based content. I don't like IPAs too, too heavy.
Yeah.
I like a Pilsner. I'm getting a little tired of the Pilsner. I'm trying to go switch to liquid heroin. I want to just keep it moving, just something strong.
So
I was thinking, man, what was Michael Jackson doing?
fentanyl.
Should I do fentanyl before the show?
I mean,
The fentanyl lollipops and shit? Like, yeah. Yeah.
Yo, Mike was on that. Yo, how did Mike? Yo, shout out to Michael Jackson. Like, R.I.P. But like, that nigga was the plug, bro. That
He
nigga
had the
could,
plug.
like,
No, he had
that
the
nigga
doctor
could
look
get
out.
anything. He could get anything. He had a doctor on deck that was just like he could just be like, yo,
My
nigga,
nigga, if you own a Ferris wheel and a giraffe, you run the world.
like that's
Who
it.
am I to tell you can't have something?
Yo, like, bro,
I'd be like, yo, fam, I own a giraffe and a Ferris wheel.
you tell me I can't get no fentanyl patches,
Nigga,
motherfucker?
I'm gonna get my fat. Yo, Bubbles, chop this nigga.
Yo, get this motherfucker, B.
Bubbles in the cut, like, yo, all right, scary sight.
Yeah. Nigga got the upside down cross tattoo under his eye and shit. Like, yo, nigga, I'm ready for action. You know what I'm saying? Nigga bites you and then be like, it's a bite.
Walk it off. You be
Walk
all
it off, motherfucker.
It's not the first time you've been bitten. Keep it moving, man.
Disgraced movie mogul Harvey Weinstein to leave Manhattan criminal court.
You know
Is
what?
it? Like, yo, just throw the nigga under the jail, bro. Who
I'm
cares?
not banging for Harvey Weinstein or nothing. But when I saw 100 Center Street, that was triggering. I was like, I was
yeah.
like, damn.
That's the address in your head that's like permanently etched into your head once you
I
once you
have
enter
two
it.
things saved in my phone. I have 100 Center Street and I have bookings. Bookings Manhattan. So if I get arrested, you get that phone call of the night before and then the morning of, like, this message is for Desus Nice. You have a court appointment at 9 o'clock. And I'm like, wait, court don't start till 9:30. Why I gotta be at 9?
Nah, huh?
But they're right.
Yeah, they're like, yo, show up at 9.
When you show up at court at 9:30, you're not called until 12. When you show up at 12, you're called at 9:30.
Yo,
Don't risk it. Don't get that bench warrant.
You know what's so crazy about the justice system though is that like anybody in there could just be like, yo, go home.
Mm-hmm.
Like anybody. Like it could be a
Anybody.
janitor, and nigga could be like, yo, you good? Like go
Yeah.
home. Like I fucking set out hours out of my day to go to do fucking this jury duty shit after like they give you like that final notice, like nigga, if you do not appear, we will have a bench warrant out for your ass. I go there, I got a pair of air raids on. The dude that's doing security is like, yo, them shits is fire. Yo, I had them shits back in the day. I was like, yeah, me too. I had them shits back in my junior high. That's why I copped them again when they re-released them. He's like, all right, word. You could go home.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
So shit like that.
I was like, are you serious?
I had to move my jury duty once, and I was like, oh, I have to go. My grandfather died in England, so I have to go to a funeral. And they was like, nah, you all right, baby. You good. I was like,
That's it?
that's it?
I don't gotta say like a real reason? Like,
All right,
the
well.
fuck?
Fuck it. That's good enough.
Damn. Pusha T joint came out.
Pusha T, new ASAP Rocky came out.
Yeah.
All right. What else came out? Oh, did you see that Pusha T? The cover of Pusha T's album is the picture of Whitney Houston's bedroom, which are like covered in like with drugs and that shit.
Wow.
Her bathroom, excuse me, the bathroom she died in with like mad drugs and like bent spoons and shit. And
What?
Kanye called Pusha T at 1 a.m. on Wednesday, changed his album cover to that photo, and he had to pay $85,000 for the rights for the photo.
Wow.
That's some Kanye shit, because Pusha T probably just had, his picture was probably like a box of crack,
Yeah.
or put like some baking soda,
A pile of coke and
razor.
shit. Yeah, that's it.
He's like, no, do this.
Yo. But yeah, put Ray J in a jacuzzi in the back.
Yeah. Kanye is a canary for success. Cause I'm like, I look at him, I'm like, yo, that shit is dope. But if you get too high into it, yeah. start wilding.
Yeah,
Your wife's butt implants
Canary
be
start
too high.
fluttering around like,
die and shit.
This ain't it. This ain't it.
Can't just have a. You can't just
You know
have
what I'm
like,
saying?
be a shorty with the wild butt cheeks.
Yeah, he's wilding.
The wild implants. Like make her thighs open up. You know
I mean, that wasn't even that much of a problematic statement, to be honest. Like that's kind of true. Like, yo, fam.
You know what it
like,
is? Because now, because of things that have happened in the past, we have to watch what we say on the podcast because niggas is sensitive. Niggas is sensitive. Because some of the hardest niggas in the industry that you people think are like real niggas is wild pussy.
Wild buns.
And be in their feelings about the little shit you say.
Yep.
Little inconsequential jokes.
Yes.
So,
You know what I'm saying?
And then what happens is they be in their feelings about little jokes and they try to press you. And it's just like, how do you respond? Because you can respond the way that will get you a check. Then there's a way that will get you locked up.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I'm not trying to get locked up. Been there, done that.
Trying to get chopped or trying to get a check.
You know what I'm saying? You could just listen, man. Just try not to have such a thin skin. Or if you don't really have a thin skin and you're just doing promotional stunts to try to sell a thing that you're coming out with,
Like what? Like possibly a reality show?
like some type of thing like that, like some type of like weird love and hip hoppy.
Whoa. Are you saying to me people schedule viral events
Yeah.
for promo for upcoming TV shows?
Isn't that wild? Isn't that wild?
Color me shocked,
To even think?
flabbergasted, and aghast.
Isn't that so wild to even
Wow.
think that people could do that? So
Wow,
wild.
who does that?
I would have never thought of that.
Yo,
Like,
the game
wow.
is the game, man.
Wow, it's so wild.
Who does that kind of things? It's the messy boys. It's the messy boys. Get your duvet. It's the messy boys. Oh, drop my spaghetti. Yeah.
Hey.
That's our new show, the Messy Boys.
Hey.
Hey.
How much time do you think Weinstein's gonna get?
How much time Weinstein's gonna get?
15 years, 20 years?
No. I feel like Harvey Weinstein.
House arrest?
Because remember, Harvey Weinstein used to have people. They say he was plugged in with the FBI or whatever, or with the cops or something like that. So they would press the women so they couldn't press charges against him. And one woman said something about if I ever showed up dead in the East River, Harvey Weinstein did it. He's connected with the crooked people in the FBI. Now I know y'all like Jesus Wildin. Listen, I know what I'm talking about. He's connected with the same.
Alex, nice.
He's connected
Go
with the same crooked people in the FBI that Giuliani's connected.
Teach these devils.
So, because all that shit in the early 80s and 90s, Weinstein, Giuliani, all the niggas ran with the FBI, and that's how they were able to do their shit in New York and not get convicted over shit. The attorney general that just got caught up on harassment charges was down with them too. They had the dirt on him, and they always hold it over his head, which they just brought it up now. I'm not saying it's weird. I'm just saying the timing is weird. So Weinstein might skate on this. Because they're talking about Cosby's going to get time. I can't see Harvey Weinstein getting 20 years for this shit. If he gets time, he's going to be like, make example time. But I
feel
see him
like-
doing like 40 years or nothing.
Yeah, nah, definitely not. I feel like if you take whatever they give Cosby and divide it by like 12, that's what Weinstein's gonna get.
What about your man Morgan Freeman?
Yo, he's out here.
But Morgan Freeman's been out here ever since he was. Remember, he cheated on his wife, and then his wife served him papers in the hospital bed 4 days after because he got into a car crash with the next chick. You messy. You messy.
Don't drive drunk with your side bitch, bro.
Like, what? Or have her drive or something. I don't know. Take an Uber.
Call an Uber, nigga.
If you get nothing from the Bodega Boys podcast, it's this. Don't drive drunk with your side chick, and don't be mailing niggas peanuts. So we tell you to do. So the only two things to live through life.
You can't just be letting anybody use your printer.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't just be printing out any. All right, ask where that PDF has been.
You know what I'm saying?
Imagine that feeling after like your side bitch crashed up the whip, and you in the car, and, like the smoke coming out the hood and shit.
My nigga, you know, baby girl, you know my situation. Like, I'm like, remember we were in LA, we were driving up like Mulholland Drive, and you were like, yo, how do you even drive up here at night? Bruh, I would just drive off the cliff. I'd be like, fuck it. Like, fuck
What's
it.
even the
nigga.
point?
What's the point? Like, Shorty's gonna take all my bread. Like, I lost the limb. Like, Shorty's like, you know what I mean? And
Like
trauma.
you know that after you crash and like the car stops, and everyone's like, you're just sitting there like, oh, I'm still alive.
Okay, you look over,
You look
Shorty's
over,
arm
Shorty's
is
dead and
broken.
shit. You're like, oh, fuck. You just gotta kick her out on some Grand Theft Auto shit. She drives, like, drive with the wheel parallel to the rest of the car.
Yeah, that's
But
wild.
she be like, yo, I got my hazards on, so it's okay.
It's okay. I'm
Because
good.
everyone knows the rules of the road. If you put your hazards on, you could do any fuck shit you want with your car.
You can drive on the shoulder.
You could ride sideways.
Yeah, bro.
You could be on top of your car, like swag surfing,
You know what I'm
as
saying?
long as the hazards are on.
You
Niggas
can
like,
ghost ride the
yo,
whip, bro. Cross the whole bridge.
a nigga with double park blocking like 4 lanes, as long as the hazards on. It's like, what?
You're good.
Go around.
That is a literal Washington Heights bylaw.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you may park anywhere you want as long as you put your hazards on.
Washington Heights, the only place that got power that has like back end parking on regular streets. Well, how are we parking at an angle? I was like, it looked like only one of y'all parked at an angle. The rest of y'all just decided to follow. And this was like 10 years ago. This shit is not. They got different track. That's the only place you see traffic signs. They have the word DK on it. You're like, what?
Fam, also, I have never seen, like, it's been a while. Like, I'm not gonna say I've never seen.
It's been a while.
But it's been a while since I could
show you how to blow out all your brains. And then sometimes I can't remember.
Remember that
Just
album?
me in high school.
Oh my God.
And me, it's like trying to start the fucking trench coat mafia. It's like, you go to school in the Bronx. Like, we don't do school shooters. I was like, I paid a lot of money for this chain to protect my wallet. So how y'all feel?
Fam, I heard that shit one time and I was just like, yo, shit is kind of ill. Because I was selling e-pills to this girl who was like mad into Linkin Park and like staying this
That's
shit.
an e-pill song.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
And
an
I'm
e-pill
just
song.
sitting there and just shorty's listening to this shit. I was like, yo, this shit is kind of like, I don't know if I'm high or if this shit bangs or what, but I was like, yo, I got to learn how to play guitar now. So I stole my ex-girlfriend's guitar that she bought for guitar lessons and never used. And I just tried to teach myself guitar. It's much harder than I thought. I thought I was going to be playing Interpol songs in like a week and that shit did not happen. So, you know what I'm saying? If you know how to play guitar, please holler at me and teach me for free.
Playing guitar is a good way to get pussy.
Yeah, it's a great way to get pussy. That and singing. If you could sing, like if you could just hit a vocal run like out of nowhere, like, yo, it's a rap. Like, girls are going to love you.
Yeah, girls are stupid.
You know what I'm saying?
They like us for dumb shit. They do.
That nigga can sing, yo. He got a Ferrari.
Which one is it? Like, we just going after Chris Brown now?
Pray for Chris Brown. Nah,
Chris
actually,
Brown's good.
He's chilling.
Chris Brown was actually, I hope he was there. His daughter's dance recital was yesterday.
Oh, word?
For little royalty.
Oh, shit.
It's true because, you know what? Because you think of Chris Brown, you're like, oh, look at this piece of shit. This asshole, he's always trying to fight himself. And then, but when she sees him, she's like, that's my daddy.
That's
She
my
doesn't know
daddy.
any of that shit. She
Yeah.
just looks up at him and like, you can see that pure innocence in her face.
Yeah.
Like she gets excited about seeing her father.
Yeah.
Your father's scum.
I feel the same way, bro. My kids have no idea what a scumbag I am. And they just like love me unconditionally. That's the great part about it.
When I get them, I'll be like, you know, your father's just Tekashi 6ix9ine without the tattoos. Yeah. Blicky with the sticky now? Huh?
Blicky with the sticky stage time here.
Huh? Blicky with the sticky? All right. Y'all want Blicky with the sticky? How about Jesus with the fetus? That's right. Jesus is back on my quiet church school shit. No, I see like mad shit falling down like a robot. I'm like, yeah. We're doing pop-up churches. No pop-up shops with t-shirts.
Yeah.
I'll just send me your address. I'll pop up and baptize your auntie.
Yo.
Come to her job with the wild waiting pool and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo,
just
come
grab
here.
her by the neck, be like, yo, come here.
Yo,
Come here.
Come here, it's inflated.
In the name of Christ, I rebuke you. Just
It's
throw it down in the
inflated.
water and shit. Her wing is just floating.
You gotta get the 5-gallon jug from the water cooler to fill up the pool and shit. Like,
In the name of Christ, I forgive you.
I forgive you sins. Oh,
They just throw a big compound bucket of water in her face. Like, pow.
Yo,
How much water you need to baptize? You got like.
And that shit varies, bro. Because I know, like, my grandma got baptized as Jehovah's Witness, and she went into a whole ass pool.
You got to go into the pool. You got to wear all white. You know what I'm saying? You got to freak it.
But then, like, when I got baptized, it was just like niggas poured like a teacup of water in my head, and it was kept it moving.
That's the thing. Y'all be scam. Y'all stop the scamming.
Stop the teeth.
All right.
Stop the scamming.
Wait till you get to heaven, and God be like, oh.
Oh, you used a teacup, man?
Watch St. Peter could be like, oh wow. So we're born in Group A. Everyone that got baptized with an ounce of water come to the front. You go out to the front. You be like, nigga, are you serious? Look at this nigga. This nigga's still wet.
Yo, come
This
on.
nigga drowned while baptizing.
Come on, B. Fuck out of here. Show that man some respect, B. Get to the back of the fucking line.
Oh shit. You know, you get like what was it? What was that? That's So Raven? Remember when she get those?
Oh,
visions?
yeah.
So every now and then I get one of those and it hurts my brain because it's just an idea that if we took the Silicon Valley, we would be rich.
Cajillionaires.
New app. Baptize you. You ever be in a bar? You'd be like, yo, my life is, you know, like, right, like, say you have like some questionable pussy or some shit, or you do some shit, and you're like, damn, I gotta get right with God. Download the app.
Baptize.
We come to you. We baptize you right there on the spot.
Bong. You know what I'm
Don't
saying?
matter. You and your
Whatever you
bar,
got.
you at your girl's house, whatever. We use whatever liquid you got. You
Yo.
ever been baptized with Henny, my nigga?
Yo, that's it.
You know what I'm saying? We got the special offers and shit. You know what I'm
And
saying?
then, you know, you pull up, you're like, and then homie's getting baptized. He's like, yo, listen, man, I don't really want to use Henny. I want to be a little more respectful. Can we use this bottle of Voss?
Nice, let's go.
Let's do it.
Whatever we got.
You know what
You
I'm
gotta-
saying?
listen,
That's that
just
shit.
if you go into the app, just go down at the bottom. You can change. There's different options. We don't even have to stop at your house. We can just throw water at you while driving by.
Nigga super square, super soaking you.
After at night, you know what I'm saying, if you want the the nasty baptism.
Yeah, the bukkake baptizing.
You want the nasty. As we call it, the yellow fever baptism.
Yeah, whoa,
yeah.
hey.
Go a week without drinking water.
Yeah, that's right.
Guess who's pissing turpentine?
Oh.
You ever heard chunky pee? You ever been next to someone in the urinal and their pee sounds heavy?
Oh, yeah.
Like, damn, nigga, nigga, drink some water.
Oh, there was this fat dude that I used to work with. That
Body
was
shaming.
Well,
He was girthy.
he was
Thick with it.
He was hustling thick with two
He was
C's.
thick with 2 C's,
You
all
know
right?
what I'm saying?
All right, he's filling out that Fashion Nova.
I'm like, yo, bro, I don't know what is going on with your prostate, my nigga. Like, what the pressure valve was set to, but like, I was getting an assault next to that nigga to pee, and my man would pee, and it would sound like somebody was spraying a hose in the toilet. Like, meanwhile, my shit is just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, squirt, 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 squirt.
That should be
Does
like,
that mean I have a weak prostate? Or he has an OD strong prostate?
it could be both, because like maybe there's too much pressure on his shit. That's not good.
That's not good, right?
My shit, I don't have like a weak prostate. My prostate be lazy and shit.
My prostate
prostate
be
be
like, man, I'll do that shit later.
I'm going to
nigga."
pee right now. Nigga, get up. Nigga might roll a L.
That's your
Nigga
prostate being
smoking
lazy.
shit. Nigga
When you
like-
wake up in the morning, nigga just smoking. When you wake up in the morning, you stand in front of the toilet with your dick out for
You
15
like,
minutes. Like,
hello?
yo.
Hello? He's like, yo, could you
Yo.
relax? I'll be there with the pee coming. Nick,
fam,
This is
fam, you just woke me up out of some good sleep, talking about this pee, nigga.
Yeah,
like,
I gotta-
chill.
I gotta roll a whole ass blunt at like 6 a.m. Nigga.
Come on, my nigga, you really.
You ever wake
tweaking,
up
bro.
early and you see a blunt you rolled the night before, you didn't smoke the whole thing? You be like, yeah. You're supposed to be like, all right, we do
Do the
something
wild
now,
fist
nigga.
pump, like, yeah,
That's when you were washed, the victories become less and less.
yeah.
Earlier, you'd be like, yo, I'm gonna be on the 30 for 30 less. Yeah. And now you're just like, yo, I left a Reese's peanut butter cup in my pocket.
Oh
shit. Let's
Yo,
go.
I'm gonna throw it in the fridge for 2 minutes so it doesn't get so it gets unmelted.
Let's go. I love this shit. Yeah. Just sad
Yo.
shit. Just sad. The day I scanned my Metro card, I have $5 on it, and I haven't used it in a while. And I was
Nigga,
like,
you be like, it's a beautiful day.
like YouTube came out and like, dum, dum, dum. I was like, Bono! Nigga knocked over an old lady with the guitar. Like, I was like, yeah!
Sorry, blood, mate.
The MTA guy was like, the 2 train is delayed because U2 is they're performing the Joshua Tree in full at
okay.
Gun Hill Road.
Okay.
So we were staying in the station.
So we're just gonna
until,
pull up and.
oh, now they're doing Ah Tongue Baby. So okay, we're stopping right now.
let's get
okay,
it.
wow.
Damn.
These city walls.
Joshua Tree was overrated.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Take that, Yakubs.
Wow. 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 You can say that about the Beatles, but wow, Joshua Tree.
I actually kind of like low-key fuck with Joshua Tree. I also fuck really heavily like with Simon and Garfunkel's greatest hits.
That's a good.
You know what I'm saying?
They got the hits.
They got joints. Scarborough Fair is my shit. Are you going to Scarborough Fair?
They have some hits. There's a
You know what I'm saying?
Sha-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
What was the shit that was from Wayne's World? Did they use in Wayne's World? To see you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus comes to
Robinson, yeah.
Hey, hey,
Anytime I woke up
hey.
on Saturday and I heard that, I was like, fuck, it's a clean in
Damn,
there.
I got niggas gotta clean. God damn, bro.
I have run, I have crawled, I have scaled these city walls, only to be with you. Everyone's like, get him out of here with karaoke. And I still, niggas doing a Millie Rock, and found what I'm looking for. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Damn, niggas are watching.
Niggas like, nah. Niggas like, nah, that's not how it goes.
Get this nigga on
That's
stage.
not, boo.
Boom, boom.
Bloody hell, mate, what is that?
Yo.
It's you tree? Nah, not you too, nigga. Yo, shout out to Bodega Hive. You know, always shout out to Bodega Hive. Y'all
Word
do the
up,
thing.
word up.
Shout out to Jade OF because Jade OF hit me up randomly September 23rd, 2017, and was like, "Hey, Jesus, can you send me $20 for gas?"
Oh, wow.
Not for Bodega Bucks or nothing.
Nothing. Just
Like, straight up
send
from
me
my
money.
account. And I
That's
was like,
is that happening now?
Yeah.
Yo, Marcus Jackson, whoever the fuck you are,
keeps asking for rent.
why you keep asking me for
Nigga,
rent money,
don't do
nigga?
that. But she asked me for that, and I was just like, "Shit, this is $20." So
Fuck it.
I gave her the $20. She sent back a video of her getting the $20 with Die for the Hive. Here's how you come full circle. She said, yo, I don't know if you remember, but you sent me $20 for gas last year, and I just want to let you know I got a new job, and I'm not a broke boy anymore. So if everything goes well, plan to see you guys in ATL.
Oh,
We love a beautiful story. We love when the hype comes full circle.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to you if you come to the building. Let us know. You know what I'm saying? We represent with you. Shout out Bodega. Have we ever gave you money for Bodega Bucks, or you read the story Bodega Bucks, or you saw the pop? You went to the pop up. You went to the show, got inspired. You're welcome.
Or if you're, you know what I'm saying, a young single mom and your kid is at fucking the art academy, you know what I'm saying, instead of out there selling crack or working on his wicked jump shot.
If you're out, you know what I mean? If you're a young single mom and your kid's on the bathroom floor hungry,
crying all alone,
because the only way to feed him
is to sleep with a man for a little bit of money.
Well, here are the two men. Yeah, I know where that was going, huh? Just doing the wild tricks while she's crying. Like, this is my baby.
This is my baby.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, let's how you cry.
Yeah. Take that ants on a log. Yeah. Take this doggy bag back to your kid.
The kid come home, he's like, where's all my fruit snacks? Be like, yo, you see me walking out the pump, like,
here's your fruit snacks, little nigga.
Fuck out of there.
Take the towel off my dick, like, yo,
yeah,
hold that.
Shit, it's a Thomas the Tank Engine towel. The shit with a hood.
Yeah,
you got the hood over your dick.
Yeah. Ask your mother about trains.
God damn.
Nigga's like, wow, I'm no. Nigga turns into a superhero and spends his whole life working out to beat the shit out of us. My whole life, I just been waiting for this moment.
It's like that movie Sleepers. Remember that shit?
Yes. We're doing like a fucking meet and greet and shit. We're like, hey, how you doing? He's like, you disrespected my mother.
Remember me?
I'm like,
nigga puts up the 22. We're like,
oh.
Pow, 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 pow. Nigga,
152 Marshall Boulevard?
Oh, shit.
Mero. Super mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. How your mom's doing?
Yeah, what's up?
She put her teeth back in. Shoot her to the guts. Like,
damn, my guts really hurt now. God damn.
Next. Who's next? How you doing? Thanks for coming to the show. Have a good time.
Appreciate you.
Put your phone on portrait mode. Say 1, 2, 3, Bodega. Victor, next up. Thanks.
Yo, give me some water. I think I'm about to pass out.
You got a gift for us.
Oh, thank you. Is it
shout out to, what is it? What's her name? I don't want to fuck on her name because I know there's certain people in Bodega Hive that I'm not 1,000% sure they're not gonna kill us, and you know it's gonna happen. But you know,
shout out to Pretty Little. I think her ad name is Pretty Little Pet.
Mm-hmm.
She bought us the leather bags with all the goodies inside. The
Yes.
Bodega Boys ashtray.
She hooked that shit up.
Bandana.
Yes.
That was lit. Shout out to you.
Good times, you know?
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Bring your gifts. Just make sure that they don't have anthrax or anything in them.
Yeah, security doesn't play with that shit now. They be going through the shit. Like, I'll be like, because people be like, yeah, I made this for you. And I'm just like, also shout out to Short that made the actual problematic light that goes on. I had to my house and they bring it into, they go, I'll be smoking. But yeah, you know, shout out to Bodega with the artsy crafts and shit.
Yeah, shout out to
I
you.
thought you guys were a bunch of stoner losers, but apparently you guys are very handy.
Mad DIY and shit.
So there you go.
Big ups to y'all.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? Out here doing the thing.
Shout out to K.I. Birdie who's gonna kill me. She just sent an aggressive text message, not text, Twitter message the other day. Like, y'all niggas don't fuck with me. We met her at the meet and greet. She's good people.
Oh, okay.
See,
that's the thing. But it's
if you meet you at the greeting meet, then it's like, oh, we know you. But now we just treat you like regular people. We're like,
hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, yo?
Yeah,
what's up? Dap you up?
Yeah, it was good.
I was saying.
And also, you know how wasted we are by the time we get to the meet and greet
the end
portion?
of the show?
Oh my god!
Nigga, I'll be seeing 4 Meros and 3 Desuses.
God damn! I'm like, yo, why is we doing the meet and greet? Why
Meet and greet. I'll be confused. I'll be thinking I'm meeting the fans and shit. I'm waiting for them to take a photo. Like, yo,
what's up?
Yo, I love you. I love your show tonight. Y'all killed it. I love when you do the AKs.
Greetings.
Yo, come here. Let me introduce you. This is my friend Mero. You ever he's from the Bronx too.
Yeah. They said we was meeting and doing greeting cards, so I bought you these cards. I got them from Dollar Tree.
Niggas rolling around naked in Victor's hair and shit. Like,
It says get well soon, you know what I'm saying? Because I hope you had laughing time. Straight
signing autographs.
Straight babble.
I'm signing autographs like Michael Blackman. Just a mess.
Yeah.
We're working on a new game here for Bodega Hive. It's Fortnite with books. Mm-hmm. Okay. It's called Lit Night. Okay.
Oh shit.
It's actually called WokeNite.
WokeNite?
So you land out the bus.
Okay.
You gotta land on property and get the books before other people. So you got the 48 Laws of Power.
Oh, shit.
You got Hidden Colors.
Word.
You got the Art of War. That's how you go to war with other people.
You know what I'm
So
saying?
instead of guns, you put them out and you be like, oh, you overstand, my brother?
Yeah.
You use overstanding waves.
Oh
You
shit.
get the Hotep guns and shit.
Oh damn. Then niggas take you out and be like, you've been out hotepped by
out Hotep.
Biscuit 69.
Damn.
Damn. You are placed
You got
23rd.
killed by the government's putting fluoride in the water. Okay? I might, and then, you might have access to the big gun. You land in the middle of the map, like, yo, the gay agenda came from Obama. And just see like the big waves. Everyone,
like, yeah, whoa.
it's like, woof.
You're
Last
in the
man
storm. You
standing.
must escape.
The storm of knowledge. Wake up, brother. That's all the storm is. The storm is just information waves coming for your pineal gland. If you don't decalcify it.
That's right, B.
Niggas in the Fortnite shit, just chopping it up, open the thing, it's like decalcification. Like,
Oh, damn. I already got too much of this shit. I've reached my decalcification small potion limit.
Nigga quick scope you with a fact from across the map. Like,
Bruh.
do you know George Washington's teeth was made from slave teeth? Like, oh shit.
You've been out. Yo, you've been
Out
woke.
woke.
You've been woke by Hotep in 68.
Guess right. WokeNite. There's a lot of updates for that. And no matter how fast the computer is, it's never going to run it
It's
properly.
never, ever.
Your girl gets cut. You still play on WokeNite? You on the fucking niggas not even like you run into a room and someone else there. And it's like you don't shoot them. You just have a conversation for an hour and shit.
You're like, yo, what's good, man?
It's like yo, I just find it funny. Like Morgan Freeman was about to buy NBC, and now all of a sudden, the charges. Like I'm just saying, if those women were like, if he really did that to them, why they just coming up now? Now 8 of them at the same time.
You know what I'm saying?
When a black man does that,
It's a little fishy, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, you got to trust a nigga with a hoop earring.
You just saying, like R. Kelly actually made a song about black empowerment and black love called "Step in the Name of Love," and now they're trying to say that he's hurting black people. Also, if he's supposed to be molesting women, how come he's molesting black women? He's still supporting black women. So how you feel? You just in the barbershop like,
Yo, wow.
That's why I like my barbers. What? Dominican and not speaking English. All I want my barber to say to me is square or round in the back. That's it.
That's it. Yo, my papa don't got shit to say to me. All he does is sing bachata in my ear, nigga. And I just like drift off into La La Land.
Fam, I said to my
face.
barber, I said to him, yo, what's up? You good? He was confused for like 3 minutes. He was like, razor.
See, papi, you go. I go. You go. I go. You want a hookah, papi? A little bit? I got a mouthpiece that you go know, so we not get herpes together.
I also love Dominican barbers because they be on their Android phones, always an Android.
Yeah, always.
Using some app you never seen before.
You already know.
To do some illegal shit.
You already
and when you
know.
ask them the name of it, they get required to put the photo away.
No, papi, it's not.
I'm like, are you watching the surveillance cameras for the U.S. Mint? He's like,
No, it's WhatsApp. It's WhatsApp. I'm doing a video call to WhatsApp to my people over there.
yo, my nigga, are you moving the Hubble telescope?
No, papi, no. That's my Camry.
Nigga, that's not a Nest camera.
That's my
That's not a
camera.
Nest camera.
It's my Camry. It's outside.
Nigga, I saw the other galaxy. What are you
checked.
doing on that phone?
Papi, no, it's okay. I just need to move the planet because the cocaina's up there. I gotta go get it.
Nigga just regulating the fucking weather patterns in fucking
Niggas on the moon back in the moon dust.
Okay. Oh, we got an Amber Alert. Uh-oh.
Oh, where?
Oh, wow. It wasn't even a regular Amber Alert. It's like Amber Alert. Check your local media. That's not how Amber Alerts work.
Fam.
I got to know off one clip.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing.
It could be anything.
I mean, I'm not really an Amber Alert type of nigga. Like I see some shit. I don't know if I want to say something. It depends. Because Amber Alert is like for kids, but I want like a Shaniqua Alert. You know what I mean? I want to know about like a brown child in danger. Amber sound like she'd be good.
You know what I'm saying?
Like Amber sound like she going to spring break.
Oh, yeah. Amber is the one.
We're going to Cabo.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. She's gonna get her hair braided and shit.
Yeah, I'm getting my hair braided. Got Molly in my butt.
All right. If you see a Tanisha alert, like, yo, someone grabbed Tanisha and they coming from Patterson in a fucking 2-door Accord. Like, I'm gonna look out for that shit. This shit, they just be like, yo, she's in a Toyota Avalon. I'm like, fam, listen, as someone takes a lot of lifts and a lot of Ubers, I will say this right now. I have no idea what the fuck cars look like anymore.
Yeah, no.
I can't tell the difference between the Escalade,
Nope.
fucking, what's the other one? There's the Escalade versus, what's that?
Suburban.
Okay. If it's Suburban, it's better. More charges.
Suburban, Navigator.
And then you got the Escalade, you got the Avalon, you got the CR4.
Like, what is... I can't keep up, bro. I can only... Now I'm on some, like... Lil Uzi shit where I'm just looking at Ferraris and shit. Like, I just stopped looking at, like, Toyotas and shit like that. Like, I can spot a Camry.
Also, Uber and Lyft. Here's a free Desus Nice idea for you. You can use it. I should charge you for it. What you got to do is make the car have a specific color when they pull up. I know you guys already have this, and in the dashboard, they have the color and the light. Make my phone flash the color. so I could just have my phone in the air and the driver will see the color and pull to me. I do not understand why. Every time I call an Uber, he pulls to the middle of my fucking block. I'm standing there with the phone waving it. I am the only person in the Bronx with a cell phone.
Hello?
Please pull up.
Hello?
Stop acting new.
Yo.
I'm the only person that drives Uber.
I have a plan, nigga. It's not prepaid.
Jesus.
Like, it's me. It's just me out here.
But Uber drivers be so wild, they be like, yo, I'm colorblind. I don't know what that color is. I'm like, how you colorblind, nigga?
Uber drivers be
I'm
so
like, I'm
wild.
waving the phone. I'm just waving the phone for no reason.
Uber drivers be so wild, they don't even know who the fuck you are, or what language you speak, or nothing.
Uber drivers is cool because you be like, yo, how's it going, man? They be like, this shit's whack. I'm like, nah.
Nah, bro.
When I say how's it going, you be like, all right, and then we do the fake pleasantries and we just keep moving. I don't want to know about your life and shit. I don't know about your girl stressing you.
Every Uber driver that I've ever encountered in New York has been like some Eastern European dude, or like some Indian dude, or like some African dude. In Jersey, it's so weird because it's like it'll be a random 50-year-old like father of 8 white dude in a pickup truck. Like, I got picked up from the mall the other day, and the nigga came in a fucking Ford F-150. I was like, I don't even know if I want to get in this shit. I was like, walked around the car to check for Confederate flags and shit. Like, yo, am I gonna make it home okay if I get in the car with this fucking guy?
I think his fucking horn is like, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I'm like,
He's like, yeah, just diving through the window, Nick. I mean, Joel.
Wow, okay.
I'm like, God damn, bro.
Wow.
Damn, I just came here to get some Nike dry fit socks, bro. For the low. The outlets be holding me down.
Do you think Pusha T knows Vladimir Putin?
Probably.
Yeah.
They probably, Putin's like, bro, I fuck with your coke raps.
He probably got him in like, we looking like an old clip video. He's back like, grinding.
Yo, grinding.
You know what I keep in the grind.
That's right. What happened to that boy? Coca leaf plant.
Oh, apparently I just saw like an update about this Amber Alert. Apparently the story is very sad. We should not joke about it, but you know, it's cool.
Hey, whatever.
I was like the baby's missing because the mother was just found dead in the woods.
Whoa, what?
They didn't say all that. That's the other problem with Amber Alert. There's not enough space. You got to give context.
Yeah, bro.
Because now I'll look for the car.
Yeah.
Now I'm like, all right.
Okay, now shit is serious. Don't just hit me with an Amber Alert and it's just like, yo, Amber is like at Cold Stone and she didn't tell her mom.
Instead of calling it Amber Alert, they should call it T Report. How about that? Call that shit T Report. Imagine you at work and they're like, T Report? You're like, oh, bitch. Tell me all the tea.
Yeah, spell it, man.
Spell it, bitch. They're like, okay, so first of all, he was cheating, You're like, what?
That's scalding,
Girl,
man.
you heard this shit? Girl,
You ready? You ready to spell that?
Hold on, I gotta go on shaderoom.com and put some comments on Instagram.
Oh, my God.
Okay.
You go Lipstick Alley, be messy, yeah.
Just go in there. Excuse me, I got a show Dream Doll. You bit all your shit from Nikki.
Damn.
Listen. I don't say. I just report, baby.
That's what the
If you
motherfucker
know the
said.
Marvel universe, I don't like people who's like MCU, the Marvel comic universe. It's not comic.
Nah,
it's
bro.
real life.
MCU is the fucking credit union on 3rd Ave.
MCU is a mispronunciation of one of the ad-libs the Lost Boys used to do. Like, MCU, this is how we do every day.
Ha! Hit me every guitar.
Yes.
Pretty loose, big, nice. Ha!
This is representing. So this is how it goes.
Oh, hey.
The flow.
Shout out to Mr. Cheeks for having such longevity with the rap name Mr. Cheeks.
Let me blow everyone's mind here. Mr. Cheeks stole my cousin's car.
I 1000% believe that.
Yes, I remember. Because he lived in Queens. And I remember he was tight. I was like, because he had a nice car. And I was like, what happened? He was like, yo, the Lost Boys stole it. And I was like,
yo, because
Lifestyles of the Rich and Shameless?
What?
Because you got to remember, there's two different. There was like Lifestyles of the Rich and Shameless. And it was Lifestyles of the Rich and the Famous. So niggas get fed. Who was that? Good
Charlotte. Wow.
Victor's back.
Wow.
Shit.
Said I went to private school.
Victor was over. Victor, you haven't heard from Victor in a couple weeks. He had to get the what do you call it? Tommy John surgery for the facts.
You know what I'm saying?
He's back.
He's back.
He's out of AAA. He's back.
You know what I'm saying? He got the whole Faded Glory discography on deck.
Sadly, he's about to leave the AL. He's about to be in the NL throwing wild heat, and it's not going to go anywhere. But you know what I'm saying? Respect him. We're going to see him at Yankee Stadium like, oh shit, Victor's still in the league.
Oh shit.
Oh wow.
Damn, nigga said Mr. Cheeks stole my cousin's car. That's wild. And it's crazy because people like that are not from New York don't realize that Lost Boys wasn't just like a rap group. It was a gang from Queens. Like LB Fam was like a gang, my nigga. Like they just
LB Fam,
like,
every day stay high.
It's like 4 of them can rap, kinda. Like one of them can really rap, and then the 3 of them can like kinda rap.
Did you see the thing yesterday on Twitter where it was like if you click this link, you can see what your timeline would look like in 08?
Oof.
So now people are pushing up my tweets from 08? My nigga. Let's just say God is working on all of us. And I am a better person than I was in 08. Also, I had the wild Kevin Durant tweets. My second tweet ever in the history of Twitter is playing Grand Theft Auto 4. That's it. No spice to it. But my third tweet is the spiciest tweet ever. It's like, when did everyone in this city stop learning how to speak the language, doesn't know about personal space, and not put their phones on vibrate?
What?
I'm like, yeah, that's 08 Desus. That's 08 Desus.
My first tweet was Chinks Drugs got a mixtape called Hurry Up and Die, LOL. That was literally my first tweet.
No, my first tweet ever
R.I.P.
is engaging in a Class B felony for the next 5 hours. Which everyone's like, what the fuck? But because I was working security and I didn't have my security license. So if they came and checked, you get my security. I was like, fuck that.
Fuck that.
Never got my security license.
I got a black turtleneck, nigga. I'm official.
Nigga, I had a dicky shirt and dicky pants. That's all you need.
That's all you need to be a security guard, nigga. Some Nike boots.
I remember, way before Wale said it too. Way before Wale said it.
You got the black Nike boots, nigga. You either work in sanitation or you a bouncer.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I remember I was like waiting for some friends in front of a bar, and like white kids just kept giving me their IDs, and I was like, okay.
Oh,
I was like, all
right.
I was like, am I not? I was like, I'm wearing my best Bronx attire.
Catmull shorts and a black tee.
You know what it is. Unless you're in love, then you put on the black Burberry shirt.
Oh yeah. You got to throw a Burberry shirt. That's a must. I don't know exactly when it is, but there's like an uptick in people. I think it's the winter time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like the winter time, people are indoors, so they fuck more. So there's more babies born in like the warmer months or whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The point I'm trying to make is, if you don't want your girl to have fun, just get her pregnant. You know what I'm saying? Over the summer. That's not the point I'm trying to make. The point I'm trying to make is that there's mad babies born in the summertime, and that shit is like, I don't know where the fuck I was going with that, because you know what? I smoked the fucking half a blunt right before I got in the car.
If you think about it, if you like not, I mean, like, because in the winter it's colder, you're spending more time inside and stuff. So like
Netflix is chilling.
Yeah. So then when it comes warm, then she's like, "Oh, nigga, I'm knocked up."
And you're like, "Yo, damn,
I'm knocked up. You won't let me go out." Like, you know what I'm saying?
Then you be like, "Yo, fuck it." You get the.
So you know what it is?
You get it.
So you gotta knock your girl up around like October, November. So when Pizza Zoo was like, "Yo, we at La Marina," she's like, DK, what are you doing? I can't go out.
Oh my god.
You ain't going to no fucking Pizza Zoo with my firstborn in your gut.
No.
So stay home.
You trying to go to Henny Palooza 10 months pregnant?
I don't think so.
You crazy?
How's it gonna be? You see the mother of your child 9 months pregnant,
Nigga
get Hennessy
say in her
spread
mouth.
right in her mouth and shit. Your baby come out drunk. How you feel? Your baby come out the womb? He's like, yeah. Like, nah, nigga.
Nigga come with the fatigue shorts with no shirt and Tim's like, yeah, what's good? Yo, what up?
It's cracking. 80
What's
block,
up?
nigga. What's
Yeah,
good?
was shaking, B.
What's
Was
good?
shaking.
Yo, my nigga wobbles back
You
on
know
the block.
what I'm
What's
saying?
up?
Yeah.
What's good?
Trying to get my joint back on, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga dap up the doctor like, yo, good looking out for not
Good looking.
slapping.
Yo,
Yo,
word up.
on blood, if you had smacked me, my nigga, ooh.
Oof, nigga. Oof.
Nigga grabbed the nurse's hand like, what's up, ma? Yo, what's up, ma? What's up?
Yo, what you doing later, yo?
What's up? You got a job?
I think I seen you in Salsa con Fuego last
That's
week.
what, you know what? That's why I like girls like you. Like, you be having your little job shit. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, you a baby, nigga.
I'm saying I want baby, but I don't got baby money. And
Nigga,
shit.
you got baby.
All right? Look at that.
You a baby. You covered in like placenta juice,
This is like a
nigga.
baby dick, though. I still got that thing.
Oh,
right
shit.
now,
Damn,
you
this
know
nigga's
what I'm
holding.
saying?
God
Yeah,
damn.
I'm trying to secure the bag. I secure the placenta. How you feel? What's up? Nigga wearing the fucking embryonic cord like a fucking cable, like a gold chain around his neck. Like, yeah, you see this shit?
I'm gonna do that shit.
My shit bangs tables, man.
I
What's
don't
up?
give a fuck. I'm about to do that. I'm about
Nigga
to
have a Cuban link on his fucking
You know what I'm saying?
umbilical cord.
like, yo, you know what I mean? Nigga got the fucking placenta iced out.
You watch that shit, man, it's because, like, yo, this baby's wildin'. Later in the parking lot, you see him with the seat mad low and the nurses are cord. Like, yeah. Nigga plastered to push a T, like, yeah, what's up?
Yeah, luxury drug rapping, we getting
Yeah.
toppy, nigga.
Yeah, you know what it is.
I met her in the parking lot so she could sick my duck.
You know what I'm saying? What's up? She about to change my nappy, nigga swaddled. Like, yeah. What's up? They got the little fucking cap with the six to the side.
Nigga swaddled the dick and cut out so they get toppy and shit.
She's like, yo,
yo, this is mad cozy, yo. I appreciate you.
Yo, she gotta drive fast. I gotta go to an incubator, but it's cool.
Yo, put me back in NICU, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas like to play say neonatal. I'm like, damn, that's a ballin' ass baby.
Yo, he got that shit on
I was
Smith.
like, oh, wow. Damn, I want to be like that baby when I grow up. Don't make no more fucking boss babies. Make ballin' ass babies.
Ballin' ass babies.
Presented by
nigga.
Big Baller Brand.
Yo, what's happened with them? They've been like a little quiet.
Not LeVar Ball. One of the Ball kids has got a shorty pregnant.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hope it wasn't the Leangelo.
I think it was.
Damn, that nigga's like 16.
No, what's the one that's in the NBA now?
Lonzo?
Lonzo? Is it Lonzo?
He got shorty pregnant?
Yeah, I think so.
Damn, bruh.
I think so.
Damn, bruh.
But let me see. It could be a ghetto rumor. I heard it in the bodega. So.
Nigga.
No. Lonzo Ball is going to be a father. His girlfriend, Denise Garcia, is pregnant with their big bowler baby. Oh, she wanted that bag.
Oh, hell
she
yeah.
wanted that bag for real.
She's doing I want the bag pose.
I want to be the one your TT is bagging. Wow.
Yo.
So that's the triple. That's the big baller brand babies.
Oh,
wow.
shit. Quadruple
Wow. They coming out
Bs.
with baby. See, that's where you fucked up.
Marketing, bitch.
That's where you fucked up. You could have came out with Mero's Kids clothing line, little
man.
Burberry shirts for kids.
I couldn't find enough Vietnamese kids to make it.
Damn.
Like,
Wow.
whoa, problematic,
Wow. I left
problematic.
the problematic light at home, but now our new problematic light app. Are you going out with Mero? Please, just download it. Just leave it on the table and shit. You know how you have the Fitbit? It's just Fitbit for Mero's tongue. Beep, beep, beep.
Yo, you've taken it one step too far, my nigga.
Damn. Nah, you come out with like come out with Dominican baby clothes and shit, like little fucking Aldo shoes for toddlers.
You know what I'm saying?
Like little cut
Little-
the eye,
I mean,
you know what I'm saying?
The little baby shower shirt, like wear to your own baby shower. You know what I'm saying?
Little pajama pants, but not for wearing in the bed, for wearing in the daytime.
Yeah,
shit.
for when you go to the store to get a
So I'm
Dutch.
coming out with like Jamaican baby clothes and shit.
Yeah.
Like white sandals for the winter.
Mesh merino onesies.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No mesh marina everything.
Snap crotch mesh merino onesies.
You ever seen a mesh diaper? you don't pick that baby up.
Interesting strategy, Jesus. Let's see how it works out.
Pick the baby up. She's just straightening it out like fucking.
Ew.
Just squirting
Yeah,
out.
it's
Like, ah. You ever put like something in a cheesecloth and strain it?
Yeah, look like a chocolate fountain. Yo, this nigga baby nasty.
Yeah. He's making chocolate drops.
Ew.
Yeah, he's making curry goat. I'm like, yeah. Get up for Ray nephew. Are these edibles?
Are they?
The receptionist is a baker, and she makes lovely brownies.
We can't just be eating food like that. Like a wise
was
man
that like
once
a
said.
was that like a Victor like yo like I'm trying to like these are not actually edibles or
I'm on Jupiter when I take one pull from a joint.
Yeah,
when I come up with edibles at 10:30 in the morning.
people don't realize that. People be thinking Victor be getting like wild smacked with us. I'm like, Victor is very responsible.
yeah he's like
Because not even responsible in a way we're just like, yo, he's corny. I'm just like, Victor's so responsible. I'm like, God damn, I might die.
I need to
change my
I
life.
should probably turn my life around.
I saw someone died in the paper the other day. They're 32. I was like,
Shit.
Nobody's here for that.
I was like, yeah.
That's why I stay in the background.
No, if me and Mero took life seriously, Bodega Boys would be so fucking boring.
We be H&R Block.
Yes.
Yo.
Bodega Boys in the building, episode 112.
Yeah.
Today we are talking about how to get farm subsidies using tax form
That's
825.
right. All right.
Also coming up next, how can you orderize your mortgage?
Do you have less than 400,000 to pay on your house? We can refinance using a government
let's
program
go.
that's absolutely
Let's
free.
go.
You know what I'm saying?
And then, like in a little whimsical bit, find out how the IRS will give you $200 if your car is over 200 years old.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Up next, we have Rand Paul. We're talking about social economic anxiety.
That's
You're
right.
listening to the Budget Boys live from Red Bull Studios. Up next, we have mad ads and shit.
Yeah.
For Rocket Mortgage.
Steve Pregiato's like, that's not funny.
That's not funny. That's actually being physically sound.
Keep it locked. But, we're gonna talk about conservation easement.
Hi guys. Would you like your house to pay for you?
We have a special guest, Fat Joe. He's like, yo, do y'all want to live my lifestyle, but you never seen a brick, you never seen a crack house? Join me on the money train, yo. We're just sitting there like, so Joe, what's the money train? He's like, yo, you gotta buy a kit, right?
You could be your own boss.
Be your own boss. You know what I'm saying? Pull up to Joe Budden's crib. He's his own boss.
Oh wow.
You know what I'm saying?
You got little mama on here. She's crying. She's like,
I wasn't in control.
I could invest. I could have bought a house, but down underneath Manhattan Bridge in 2000 for like $2 million.
Damn.
Now shit's like $10 million. Now you know how I feel. Jay-Z come through like Dumbo.
Just shove her mad hard and shit, like mad aggressively, like get the
He's like
fuck outta here.
Dumbo. Blue Ivy's like, boy,
Boy,
don't ever go on the stage again with my father.
stupid.
I gotta go watch the Twins.
Go perform at your fucking kid's pool party.
Go, little mom. Go, little mama.
Remember that shit? She's like, yo, man, bless him on my way to the performance.
What you know about me? What you know about me?
I wish one of the kids would have pushed her in the pool, bro. That would have been the perfect video of all time.
Wow.
Yeah, but fucking get to your bag however you can, man.
Get to your bag.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't care if it's a Birkin bag. I don't care if it's a Jehovah's Witness bag.
You know
I don't care if it's
a hot bag.
hot bag. Julio, you son of a bitch, you trying to kill me. It feels good, though.
I can't wait for the sweet brace.
Julio and Michael, two friends to the end.
If they're not really friends,
They're not
Julio's
friends
just like,
at all.
yo, Julio's
They're
like,
not
yo.
friends. Julio's like, stop fucking calling me.
Yo, papi, if you call me one more time, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking kill you, man.
Hey, Julio,
Yo, oh my God, the maldito gringo, el diablo. Yo, my nigga, if you call me one more time, I'm gonna come to your house.
Julio, how do you feel about you feel like the NFL players should stand?
Bro, let me tell you something, my nigga. I'm doing this show because they pay me and because you owe me $20,000 in fucking manteca, my nigga. So until you pay off your debt, that's the only reason I'm doing this fucking show. I don't give a fuck about sports except baseball.
Julio, what's your Facebook name? I'll send you a video of someone throwing
Nah, my nigga. You don't need to know that. My nigga.
Is it Julio?
Papi.
Your last name is Got the Dope?
Papi.
That's what I got you saved on my phone as. Julio Got the Dope.
Papi,
Is that your legal name?
No. You need to erase
that. Is that a maiden name?
That's mad hot.
Julio Got the Dope Jr. Sorry.
You making it mad hot right now, my nigga. Putting me together. I got man dope money. Yo, my friend. You wilding right now.
Yeah, Julio, you ever got sweet mouth from a guy?
I mean, besides you, no.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Do we have a caller or something like that to break this shit up, huh?
Yeah, no, it's just me.
It's just you? Oh, my God.
It's just me, your friend West.
Oh, my God. My friend Cesar, now I know how you feeling, my nigga. And now I know how you feeling.
Oh, my God.
Yo, shout out to Mike Francesa. Mike Francesa is on Twitter getting them tweets off.
You don't
He's
get
getting the tweets off. And you know what? Because I'm a fool, I was like, you know what? Maybe Frank Francesa is going to come in here and be, oh, wow.
Be the voice, yeah.
I thought he was going to be...
is he the new Trump? Is he sports Trump?
His tweets don't make any sense. He tweets as if he's still on the news, like he's still on the radio. But shout out to this tweet where he said with his chest, he said, in my first couple of days, this has been Twitter on training wheels. This is a couple of tweets. Haven't activated 8% of my features yet. In other words, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, shit.
Nigga saying with his chest.
Mike's on! 280 characters for that ass. Mike's on.
Oh, man.
Damn. I can't wait for him to start for Mad Dog to start subbing him and shit.
His tweets are terrible.
Yeah, they are. NFL needs to tackle this issue. I'm like, wow.
Get it? Tackle?
Wow.
NFL? Whoever cares about such things, I've never liked to tweet. Now get back to more important things.
Gutless move.
Relax.
Gutless move.
Relax.
The worst move you ever made, my G, was making your inaugural tweet be like, hey, I'm on the Twitter, no dumb stuff.
Yeah.
Like come on. Like, you're inviting dumb stuff, my guy. Like, that's literally... By saying no dumb stuff, you guarantee that your mentions are going to be full of fuckery. That's it.
You're asking for just people to be in your mentions.
That's it.
Doing the most. Doing the
absolute
most. Because I definitely be in his benches like, yo. Every time he tweets anything, I'm like, what do you think? Would you trade CC Sabathia for Alonzo Ball straight up? How do you feel?
Somebody keeps asking him, how do you feel about Giambi on the Cavs next year?
Every time I see that, I laugh and I retweet it. Our goal is to get banned from to get banned by Mike Francesa, who I don't even think is even running the account himself. I doubt it. I think it's like someone at WFAN.
Whoever gets his Diet Cokes also types his tweets.
Yeah,
he's like, "Hey, Steve, give me $1."
Diet Coke, throw some fire on there.
Yeah, listen, I'm gonna dictate. You ready?
Watch. He go. It's like, how you guys doing? It's the Pope. I just like to say it's Friday. Avoid the bookings. I'm like, what?
Whoa! Oh, you stealing swag now?
Yeah, he could be like, yeah. You know what it is? Dalo Mio personnel. My IG live tonight.
Yeah.
But Mero, he stole your.
Yeah, you know what? No.
Mero. You know what it is? Hasan is saying at Locksmith tonight. You know what it is? He's going right there, obsessed with his picture for the Mets. You know, and saying, Russo, give me another Diet Coke.
You know, a lot of people are saying that I'm biting him, stealing swag. But to quote the famous poet Larry Mulian Nas, you made it a hot line, I made it a hot song. All right. So how do you feel? How do you feel? Suck my dick from the back. Suck my brajol from the back there.
Hey, Steve, what's okay? There's a new Pusha T album.
You know what he needs
Push Sun T. You know what it is?
Yeah, you know he needs to push a T. Tiger Woods.
Yeah.
It's over for him.
It's over for him. Push
It's
a T.
over for him.
Push a T. Push a bag. Maybe push a sandwich to the 8th hole. How about
Get
that?
outta here.
Push
Beat
your
it.
par down. Yeah. How about that? Yeah. Anyway, back after this, the Mets have just lost 10 games in a row. They're probably gonna kill themselves. Hopefully, using Jim Jones tactics with some Kool-Aid. After this, we got Sally Murphy's gonna talk about how Aaron Judge is gonna run the fucking MLB.
And
back after this.
Mad Harvey's a footnook. Back after this.
After this.
Nigga just throw some random
Mike's
shit in.
on, and we're ready to go on the fan. New York Sports Radio.
I really think Twitter is either the best or the worst mistake this guy has ever made in his life.
Well, I think the worst mistake he's ever made was just being on air for 10 years, and now we came, and now we have just put in mad brown people who have no idea who Mike Francesa is onto him, and they're just following him and reading his tweets in our voice and realizing how racist he is. And he's like looking at it like, yo, look at millennials fuck with me. You're like, no, fam, you are just, it's not the love you think it is.
It's a gutless move.
It's a gutless move.
It's a gutless move for the Bodega Boys to sick the Bodega Hive on me.
Hey,
How dare they do this?
Listen.
You gotta play the game the right way, goddammit. My God!
If you know anything about the Bodega Boys, we're all about gutless moves. That's how we've gotten this far.
Yes, we are the illustrious dickheaded
Listen,
pussy.
how far? Listen, we've gotten this far, not by being funny consistently, not by working hard, not by having a good work ethic. Okay, the only reason we went from Complex to MTV2 to Viceland. The only reason Victor has to read contracts and CB has to negotiate stuff like this. It's not because we have talent. And it's not because we want it. It's because one day we made a joke against DJ Envy. And here we are.
Thank you. I feel bad, bro. Like
we're gonna be on that show.
Yeah,
you know we're gonna be on that show.
Oh man, he's gonna be like, I used to have beef with them, but I had some issues. And Mero's
Envy, let's squash the beef. Have us on the show. You gotta pay our ICM rate.
Yeah.
Just saying it.
Just saying
Pay
it.
our day rate.
SAG rates.
We will redo that whole Breakfast Club interview.
Yeah.
And we will look like the biggest suckers.
Yeah,
we will
bro.
sit there and let you yell at us.
Yeah.
You could throw Dookie in my
Yeah,
face.
you could beat us up.
You could slap Mero in his face with your beige
You know what I'm
dick. It's
saying?
whatever.
Whatever. You could do the double headlock on us and
Nigga,
shit.
you could hit me with your strap on. I'll be like, so vicious. Like, we can do whatever. Listen, we just want you to win, my brother.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Because I'm just wanting that. Because when Mero has his reality show and then I got my reality show,
That's it.
we going to need the favors,
We're
baby.
going to need the favors return, my G.
You know what I'm saying? When it's just me and Bad Baby.
You know what I mean?
I'm like,
Put us on, B. We'll give you the whole 9.
we're going to redo, is me and Bad Baby redoing Green Acres in the Bronx?
He's like, cash me outside of my green acres. Nigga, how about that?
I think she might be more Bronx than me. And I'm just like, nah.
No,
like, all my neighbors like, why's her black accent so they're like, also, she's like 15.
Is she Puerto Rican?
Diesel, you know that Morgan Freeman? I'm like, no, it's for the show. I'm not doing nothing.
Chill,
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not separate breads. It's
Chill,
like
bro.
for a TV show.
Ryan Seacrest said this was the move.
Damn, Morgan Freeman.
Niggas are toppling by the wayside, bro. Like, yo, never meet your heroes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but he never was a hero. He actually said Black History Month, there's no reason for it. So
Oh yeah, that's
He
right.
can
That's
cancel
why he
for a
looks. Yeah, that's why he look like. That's why you
that's
look
why he
like
looks like
oatmeal raisin cookie.
a delicious everything bagel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You fucking little. He looks like the oatmeal raisin cookie that got the cream in the middle, the little Debbie shits,
He does.
the little raisins. Yeah.
does. Wow.
Delicious. So eat your face.
Wow. I'm glad you said cookie, not cream pie.
Cream pie.
Everyone likes a good cream pie.
Yeah.
You don't like cream pie 18 years later when you pay for it and it's going down the aisle of college. There you go. Cream pies?
That's what we got to do the anal cream pie. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta have a certain you gotta have a certain tax bracket to do anal cream pies.
I'm doing the tapping
But
my
you know
head
what? If your money gets to a certain point, like you could do anal without having to tell the girl the night before.
Yeah, like we just make it happen.
She'd be like, just hold your breath.
just relax.
Like, damn, Ma, you stinking at the hotel room.
You know how many times I said this shit? Yo, just relax.
Just relax. Breathe out.
Just relax. Relax your ball.
Relax.
Relax. Act like you're gonna
Breathe.
take a dump.
Just,
but
you
don't-
like breathe. No, so how you breathing?
Okay.
Breathe with your mouth.
Okay.
There you go. See, it's
Okay.
not that bad.
Yeah,
it's not
just,
that bad.
See,
There you go.
oh look, you're gaping.
Wow. Wow, we're back. We are back. You know what it is. Don't ever say the brand isn't strong. All right? We took a week off. We back at it like we left it. Right? Like Michael Anthony where Julio picks up. Yeah.
I can't wait till his
Yeah. Nasty. Like when I found out, like when you on your favorite website, I just found out there's a switch on Pinot sites to just get HD videos. Game changer.
Wow. Yeah.
Game changer.
Yeah.
Nigga, I've been out here masturbating to VGA videos. Like, this shit just blurry. I don't know if that's a cat, a twat, or whatever.
The only whack shit though, like shout out to whoever it is that like uploads entire porn DVDs in HD.
Yeah.
Yo, you're the real MVP, my G.
Well, you can if you do that, if you upload it to a tube site and then you like get it monetized, like and like you're from Eastern Europe or something, you could cash out. The same people that do like the fake news for like Putin and all that shit, it's money right there, nigga. It's money right there. And also the new thing now is the pop unders, not pop overs, like the live Jasmine and shit, and the shit that's like Chasterbait or whatever. They put Bitcoin miners in those. So while you over here fapping, they're using all the resources on your computer to generate cryptocurrency that you don't get. Brilliant. And the way you find out about it, if you're watching Pinot and your computer just starts cycling, you just hear the fan spinning up and all this shit, check your system monitor and see if everything's doing on 100%.
Yeah.
You might be
Control-Delete. Look at the task manager.
Yeah.
Control-Shift Escape. Sorry.
Control-Delete. Savage. This nigga trying to reboot Windows 3.1. Bill Gates is like, he's like coming out the shower like, Mero's watched this. Fuck,
what the fuck?
Melinda, what the fuck?
What's going on?
What the fuck? He's playing solitaire.
I'm raising the price of Xbox $500 off the string.
Melinda, guess what? He probably plays like free ski and gets chased by the monster. Let's go cure AIDS. Shout out to my nigga Bill Gates.
Yeah, word up.
Shout out to my nigga Bill Gates haven't been inside a book. When's the last time you think Bill Gates bought a Lucy?
Oh, man.
If ever.
Probably like
imagine you in the bodega. He's like, Poppy, let me see a Fanta leaf.
Hey, Poppy, can I get a piece of candy?
Who do you think is
Poppy
nerdy?
just puts a cigarette on the fucking counter.
Who's cooler out these three? Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Bill Gates? I would say Bill Gates because he had money longer.
Yeah, he had the money longer.
Like Bill Gates had money when the shit was flowing.
Yeah,
like he had coke flow money.
Yeah, he did.
Like he been out. He's like, I seen that, I did that. Like Elon Musk sending cars of the moon. Elon,
yeah.
Bill Gates like niggas just making rumors about Hotmail.
Come on,
like come on, I've been here.
Fuck out of here. I've been
nigga,
doing
I
this.
was Mr. 106 in Park before 106 in Park. You feel me? Okay.
But then like I think about Jeff Bezos and then I think about the intro to Bad and Bougie, where he's like, we ain't got a lot of old money, but we got a whole lot of new money, nigga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But did you see the straight Babylon ting? Amazon Alexa. It's been recording people's conversations that they've had in their private homes and sending it to other people in your contact list.
Ooh.
Right? Babylon tings, Babylon tings. All these tings is a Babylon tings missing.
You know what I'm
Chuck
saying?
Lee Scratch Perry, I think he was trying to say that in his interview at some point when he was saying, I'm a fish or I'm a scarecrow.
Or I'm a glass of wine that you should drink. I don't know.
I watched that video. I was like, all right.
I watch this shit. I watch this shit. I watch this shit in two states. Okay, I watch shit high, smacked out of my mind, and it kind of made sense. And then I watched it sober, and I was like, "Holy shit! Like, is this my future, bro? If I just keep smoking weed incessantly and like, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, maybe it's time to put the sauce on the weed down."
Yeah, I was thinking about that, but I was just like, the problem with that is, to quote the illustrious Nicki Minaj, you need people like me. You need people so you can point the finger and say you're the bad guy. That song is terrible. She said Laura Bincroft. What does that mean?
What?
He said Laura Bincroft. Now, I know Laura Croft from Tomb Raider.
Yes.
How has Laura Bincroft?
How's she been? Yeah, like what is
What's
the
I've been on. Also, it's Chung Lee, and then you have like the dancers are dressed like Raiden.
Yeah. Also, is that like
No, you know what it is.
Like,
you know, yes. Shout out to all my Asian people like, Jesus call it out.
Yeah.
That shit is like, that's like, imagine Miley Cyrus came out like, I'm Wakanda, straight Wakanda, I'm Black Panther, I'm on a panther. Like,
no, you can't do that. No.
Oh.
You wildin'. They got Iggy have to pay for that, so you should also.
Iggy's not even doing music anymore. She's just like doing IG shit now.
Nigga, she's just doing plastic surgery.
Yeah, I'm like, it's cool, but what else? Like, wow, like everyone's on Instagram.
Do Pinot.
Yeah.
I always be telling
She said, and I quote, she was like, guys saying for her to do Pinot are dismissive and they're reducing her voice as a strong woman because if you just want to see her and not listen to her, you do not have that right.
I don't watch Pinot on mute. I got that shit.
I'm just watching at like a congressional hearing. Like Maxine wanted to set that, like reclaiming my time. He's like, I don't watch Pinot on mute. Damn, I think you just made the new T-shirts. Because everyone that does watch Pinot on Mute is like, damn, I wish I had that.
I'm missing out.
You watching the Pinot while you make your kids breakfast in the morning?
Like,
You
yo,
got TV,
I get the headphones on. They're like, why you got headphones on? I'm like, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about that. Oh, shit, she came. Damn, I don't watch Pinot on Mute.
Like, I mean, the sound is half the battle, man.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
You need good sound. You don't want like the half-hearted shit like, Then you want too much. We're like, I just pulled it out.
Yeah, the worst thing ever is like laughing.
Yeah.
Like, don't laugh.
Don't laugh.
Like that giggle, that weird giggle. Like, don't do that. Just say nasty shit like, but don't do it in a high pitched voice too. Like, don't do it in
the baby voice. Don't like the baby voice. Like,
Oh, sticking my pee.
yeah,
Daddy.
I watched some shit and it was shout to Christina Rose. It was her, and she was just like, yeah, make me a little slut. I'm a little whore. Call me a little whore. Smack me in my face. I was just like, this is getting uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Also, I know you're in real life, so it's like probably shouldn't be being mommy to this.
I want like good porn where it's just like the people just coming mad tired from work. Just mad tired from work. And it's just like they start like, it's Wednesday. Niggas just start boning halfway through Desus and Mero. Like, fuck. Niggas doing a wild, half-hearted, lay on your side, half hump. Like,
nigga pants ain't even all the way off and shit.
Like, you still appreciate it, but like, yo, fam, I've seen the show before. Like, we don't gotta, I know the ins and outs. I've taken this drive before. You know what I mean? Like, I don't, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do too much act. It's not her birthday. Like, it's just cool, just kind of laying up in it.
You just gotta learn. Like this, like every vagina is different, and if once you learn like that, there's always a magic trick to every single one. It's like, yo, if you put your finger in here and turn it to the left, that's it.
There you go.
Like you do that for 2 minutes and she's done.
But you gotta know the difference because what worked on the last one might not work.
So then that's the learning curve.
It's operating system.
Yeah.
All right. You gotta know Linux. You gotta know Windows, and you gotta know fucking
Snow Leopard.
Wait, Windows, Linux, and Microsoft. Yeah, OS X. You know what I'm saying? If you're into some freaky shit, maybe you know OS 2.
You know what I'm saying?
A little free BSD, a little Debian. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit, niggas! You get into that C++? Nigga, word?
Niggas get nasty. Nigga know a little Pascal spit in her pussy. Like, well, oh shit, you a nasty bitch? You in the Ruby on the rails?
Oh, word?
Cool.
Word. Oh, damn.
Oh, we doing object-oriented programming? All right.
Oh, shit, we taking it back to MS-DOS? Oh, shit, damn, that's throwback.
Oh, shit, you a nasty JavaScript bitch? Okay.
C:\\\/
Shit.
Damn.
Shit. God damn. I'm gonna spit in your mouth, you filthy, nasty Ajax bitch.
Nasty
Like, oh, shit.
Ooh.
Every woman that's listening to this that works with a programmer is like, I am disturbed and turned on. This is hot misogynistic.
Yo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm playing a Gorilla. Q Basic gave me that pussy. What's up?
Okay, I'm done. Your man said Gorilla Q Basic.
Remember that shit?
Your man said we are using a very poorly programmed program to toss bananas and shit.
Bananas in each other. And you fucking
Microsoft was like, oh, I'm sorry, you paid $40,000 for a home computer? Here's 2 games, Solitaire and some monkey shit.
Yeah. Hold a snake too, motherfucker.
There's like, it's not even regular basic, it's Q Basic.
First of all, why would you name the shit Basic? Like makes it sound bad.
It was like a simple programming language. 10 RAM, whatever the program was.
Okay.
20 print, blah blah blah. Bodega Boys in the building, the brand is strong.
You know what I'm
30 go to 20. And so just keep printing all over the screen. Bodega Boys in the building, but strong. So you had to do a control.
Damn, bro.
Nah, but you used to be able to do like funky shit. I got into a program, some sort of, not a scholarship program, but some sort of computer nerd program, because you had to build an array of computer books using BASIC. And I did it in 5th grade, and my teacher was like, what the fuck? And I was like, yeah, nigga. I was like, nigga, I'm with the shit. I'm smart. I was like, nigga, I'm smart as shit.
He's like,
I come to no classes.
I was to the J root of damager, nigga. You stupid?
So what's funny is that teacher, I got in trouble because I used cut and paste in Photoshop before we learned it. That teacher was like, how'd you do that? I was like, nigga, you don't know what cut and paste is? I stood up like, this nigga don't know what cut and paste is. This nigga eating beans.
God damn. Bruh.
So shout out to Mr. Cone. You know what I'm saying? I also used to steal books from him. But I feel like stealing books is not really a crime because you're just stealing knowledge.
No, you're stealing knowledge.
Like, you really steal a book once you read it. It's in your head. You just pass
overstand,
it on.
brother. Knowledge can never
preach,
be stolen.
Preach.
Knowledge can never be stolen, brother. It can only be shared. You understand? Like shareware. You know what I'm
Oh,
saying? Like
like
when you
shareware.
had, like when you had Print Shop Deluxe and you had to change the date on your computer in order to keep it operational. You know what I'm saying? When you had Fruity Loops, you know what I'm saying? And
I hear you.
And you,
I hear you.
and you had the demo version, but you want to save your beats.
Preach, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, all my niggas out there, you know what I'm saying? That had the Fruity Loops demo, you know what I'm saying? But you had that fire beat, you know what I'm saying? You had that Beatles sample that you knew wasn't clear, but you know the shit was fire, you know what I'm saying? And you want to throw the shit on the SoundCloud, you know what I'm saying? And you said, fuck it, I'm gonna throw my Dell back in 1985, you know what I'm saying? So that my demo becomes the full version, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gotta go on LimeWire and get the crack, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gotta download the text file with the crack on it. Word up.
Say it.
You know what I'm saying?
The revolution was made through Fruity Beats.
That's right.
Through Fruity Loops.
Learn.
Don't play my samples, my nigga.
Teach these devils.
The RIAA is just the KKK.
The Yakuza wanna hold us down.
Why not I pay Sade for a sample?
Huh?
This is America.
I gotta pay Sade for a sample.
Just at home, man, stress and shit. You guys like, you gonna get a job? I'm like, yo, I gotta see if Sade gonna clear the sample.
You use the sample. She calls you. She's like, nigga, this is a crime. Pay me my ducats. Like, yo,
Shout out to everyone that got that reference. Yeah,
yeah. All my people getting that slow
Your
time.
girl's like, you're not getting a job. I'm like, yo, fam, I came up with the G mixes. This is America called This Is Homework. You
know what I'm saying?
You know, singing like, niggas like, go.
Yo.
Nigga in the booth like, this is Park Chester. Like, nah, nigga. Nah. This shit is not going national.
This is Hugh Grant Circle.
This is Bergen County. This is Mero and his kids dancing in the cul-de-sac. I'm like this shit, I mean, I see the artistic integrity, but what's going on? You just beefing about shit that's very New Jersey centric. Like,
I'm like, yo.
Can't park your car on the street.
Yo, my neighbor's sprinkler wet my car. I just got a car wash.
Pitchfork is like, this is the most important video that will come out this summer in Bergen County.
I have to call the county clerk's office and park my car on the street. God damn.
Mero raises eye on racism in the cul-de-sac. Niggas gotta have you off MSNBC. You have like the Wild Thing glasses talking seriously about it.
Bruh. Yeah, I know. I mentioned this shit before, but like I got neighbors. I still haven't figured out who they are, but they play bachata mad loud on weekends. I'm trying to like, and I don't want to be
That sounds like
dude.
the Wild Future lyric. I got neighbors, I haven't figured who they are.
I haven't figured who they are yet.
I got neighbors and they play the bachata.
Sensational.
Sensational.
So like, I don't want to be a creep and just go around house to house and be like, bing, 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 knock on the door like, yo, de lo mío personal?
Yeah.
No? All right. Ding, ding, ding.
What you
De lo
gotta
mío personal?
do, and this sounds like the flex, you gotta get all those. I don't know if we mentioned it. We have a little late night show called Desus versus
Yeah, that's
Desus
right.
and Mero.
That's right.
Number show at late night.
Number shit.
It's up for Emmy consideration.
Yo,
So if you're listening, consider it for the Emmy. But you need to get the
Don't
Emmy.
even consider, just
you
vote.
gotta get for your consideration packages and just go around the neighborhood and give it to niggas.
Oh shit.
And let niggas know. Do the soft flex.
Oh.
Be like, you don't know who I am, but now you do.
Damn, that's genius.
That's the flex.
Oh my god, I gotta do that.
That's the flex.
How do I get those? Can I get like 20 of those?
Yeah, you can get those. Your name is the
They're
show.
yours.
They're yours. I just realized that anything we want. Anything we want.
shit.
Yeah, that's probably what happened with Harvey Weinstein.
Anything possible.
Because I'm thinking, anything I want. I'm like, can I get like a marker? And he's like, give me a Bentley. Give me a Bentley.
Damn, I almost said something that was too problematic for
There
you.
you go.
Problematic, like,
Were you
goddamn.
about to say some 2013 Mero shit?
Yeah. I think I was about to say some 2009 Mero shit.
Let me say something, and let me make everyone claro on this fucking podcast. If you push up one of my old tweets, I don't care.
I don't care.
I was poor.
Fam,
I don't give a shit.
listen to us. We were broke.
How you gonna get mad at 2018 Desus for 08 Desus?
Fam.
I had cornrows, nigga.
Fam.
Nigga.
I used the same condom twice
Twice.
on two different people.
Nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I flipped the shit inside out, B.
Nigga, I was little flip. I was like, flip.
Little flipper. Like, come on.
I was like, yo. I'll see that shit with
Motherfuckers,
the pillow.
yo, I was juxing Mexicans on Webster Ave, bro. Like, you can't, like, these are two different people now.
Nigga, I was robbing the women I was dating and then comforting them.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, damn, niggas got you for 20.
Damn.
But that nigga was dark skinned. He put in your own hallway?
In your own damn.
Right
yo.
before I got here?
Oh
That's
my
crazy.
God. I see somebody say,
Why would he have the
like,
same sneakers as me? I mean,
No.
they just came out last week.
They kind of climb. They general release.
So,
You know what I'm saying?
whatever.
Like, it's just Air Max 270s. Like,
He called you by your name. I mean, you have a common name, Carisha.
In Edenwald. Yeah.
Shout out to my boo Tamika.
You know what I'm saying?
Level 41. I love
You know
you
what I'm
forever.
saying?
I don't know why you dubbed me in 5th grade. You broke my heart. I still see you sometimes on the 2 Chainz.
Who dubbed you? Who is the one that got away from you in your younger years?
Oh,
Is
no,
it
no.
Tamika?
No.
For me, it was Vanessa Camacho, yo.
Vanessa Camacho. That sounds like a got away name.
Yeah, Vanessa Camacho got away. B. I made out with her and shit. I thought I was gonna get top.
All I'm hearing right now is like Mary J. Blige Run Away Love. In my head, like, love. Wait, who got away? Oh, Karima Baker. First grade, because we sat in alphabetical order by last name.
Yeah.
Baker. And I was like, shit, she already got the last name. So, I mean,
so-
in my West Indian thinking, I was like, oh, she like, if I'm not cheating, she's not going to leave. Where's she going?
She's good.
She good. And I remember, because she lived a couple blocks away from me, and like every now and then I ride my bike to go see her, and I'd be like, oh, wow, you live here. I ran into you, the girl from my school. You know what I'm saying? Like, after school. That's so wild. Wow.
Oh, this is so wild. Wow.
And I remember I went to see her, and like her mother was like, Karima, get in the car. And I was like, where you going?
Yo.
And she was like, my father beats my mother. We have to leave. We're moving away.
Wow.
And she got in the car, drove away. I was just sitting there on my bike like,
Damn, that's like the
they play the wild fucking Curb Your Enthusiasm theme, and I'm just like, Shout out to you, Kareem. I'm sure you got like 4 kids now. You probably
Shout out to
dub, but
lives in like South Carolina and shit.
if you still hot, nigga holla.
Holla.
That's a hot name, Karima too.
Yeah.
That's for a little Jamaican girl. Woo! If you look like Rachel from Video Soul, woo,
And your name is Karima? Oh, you killing it. You
yeah,
killing
bring
it.
it, bring it true.
You don't got the Patricia or the, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I need me a woman that has that the West Indian laughter. No shit ain't funny. You know what I'm saying? Come true with that.
yeah, man,
how do you
damn.
feel about the NFL kneeling? You agreeance?
Yo, the NFL is just wild dumb. Like now I know CTE is real because it's like it's even happened at the higher levels. Did Roger Goodell ever play football?
No, I don't think unless you talk about Tecmo Bowl.
Yeah,
No.
fam, like he got the most CTE out of all these niggas. I'm like, yo, bro, just let motherfuckers do whatever the fuck they want to do with the anthem shit, bro. Like, just let them cook. Like, leave it alone.
They're scared of Trump.
Like,
They're so scared of Trump.
like
It's so
why?
sad.
Why? It's so corny. Like,
Because it's
bruh.
not just it's not just football. Like all these owners own other businesses and stuff.
Oh,
so
yeah,
if Trump's like, they're afraid of Trump because they bang with. It's like say like, I became president. All of a sudden, like you'd be like, "Yo, here's $1 million towards like Boston Terriers." Yeah, sorry. Yo, here's your sneaker research. Like you have to like appease me because I might come up with we're having a 10% tariff on Brugal.
You
know what it is.
Damn.
Oh, I'm sorry. Guess what? Hookah Co. No, 20%.
No. We're trying to bring back the coal industry, but not that one.
Guess what? A new tax. If we can't tell if you're a man or a baby, you're gonna pay 50% on your taxes. I'm sorry, that's what it is right there.
This nigga's like, my nigga, no.
Yeah,
I
guess
am
what?
a fucking man.
Guess what? If we found out you in the pizza zoo, you got a little mustache before you top your lip. Sorry, ladies, you gotta pay for it. Sorry.
Yo, shout out to all my shorties that's about to pull up to the pizza zoo and just go all out. Shout out to Shorty at Locksmith last weekend that was celebrating her 26th birthday and went hammer time, my G.
How you gotta do it?
Like, yo, and just busted her whole entire ass.
And she fell into the hookah?
Fam.
Damn.
Like, yo, nah, this wasn't a hookah, but like, if there would have been hookah, that would have been like insult to injury. Like, Shorty was trying to do the Diplo twerk where like you put your legs up on the wall type
Yikes,
shit. Except
yikes.
she forgot that shit. There was drink spilled on the floor and her feet were wet. So she did the wild face plant. Like, and then you just see all the iPhone on the cameras like, yo, like, yo, so you're gonna end up on you know what I'm saying, somebody's TL. You're gonna end up on Delomio Twitter.
Damn.
Sorry, ma, but I hope you enjoyed your 26. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, yeah.
And then I thought about like, what was I doing when I was 26? I was like, not this.
I found like a photo from like a 22nd birthday party, and it's like all these girls. I have no idea who they are. I was gonna put it on Twitter and be like, "Yo, if y'all was at this party, like,
Tag
tag yourself
yourselves.
in." But I was like, the shit didn't go well. I'm pretty sure my party got to a fight with her party. It was like, why the fuck are y'all in our
Why
spot?
I'm
So,
a motherfucker?
I don't need that. Because then you think about all the people you met in life. Like you've met 1 million people in your life you do not remember.
Oh
But there are 1 million people that's met you and they're like, oh, I'm going to remember this motherfucker for
yeah.
the rest of my life.
Yes.
So they're just waiting to pop back up.
Yep.
So you got some beef making claro. You know what I'm saying? Don't wait for me to be, I don't know, in your radio station and then ask me on it.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, Ra! Toma!
Petty, are you petty? Are you petty? What's going on?
You pile of scrambled eggs.
Listen, if there's one thing, if we're not consistent, we are petty.
Yes.
We're consistently petty.
We're consistently
This is what
petty,
we
B.
are.
You know what I'm
We're
saying?
washed, we're consistent, and we're petty.
That's right.
Okay?
Shout out to Charlamagne for stoking the flames.
My niggas is consistent and petty. My niggas is bad and petty.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man, we just out here.
Mama.
Just out here. These niggas out here just living the best way. How's those Yankees doing?
Yeah, Yankle Bounce. We out here doing the thing. Doing the goddamn thing.
Yankee bounce? Is that what we call it?
The Yankle Bounce.
The Yankee bounce? I don't. You know what? Mero's gonna get me fucked up because I'm about to pull up Yankees head with the little curls and the hat. Like, yeah.
Yankle Bounce.
Yeah, Yankee bounce. Excuse me, you guys got kosher food?
The only hot dog I'll eat is a Hebrew National.
Every time they hit a home run, I'm burning that breaded aisles and shit. Like, yeah. Yeah, niggas, yeah.
No cheese sauce.
No cheese sauce. No cheese sauce. I've got the meat and the cheese like separated.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do you have two separate sinks for dairy and meat?
Whoa. Why are the females coming through the same entrance as the males at Yankee Stadium? Every time they hit a home run, I do the sheet with the hole through it.
Yeah.
The
home run ball goes right through the hole in the sheet. Like, yeah. You win $1 million.
They're like, miles on top.
Yeah. I won $1 million gefilte fish.
I feel like I like the fact that you're Jew adjacent, so we can get away with a joke like that. Because if we did, this would be the #1 alt-right podcast.
Alex Jones would be like, I fuck with those niggas.
Them niggas, I hate the
I fuck with those niggas heavy.
Do you guys want to be your own boss? Do you want residual income? Get on the money train.
Get on the money train. Buy an Alex Jones kit.
Let me tell you something. Listen, bitches. Summertime's coming up, and summer's gonna get the body it gets. But if you drink my fit tea, Infowars sweat tea,
you're gonna be peeing out your ass for months. But don't worry about
15 pounds. Look at me. He's like doing he's doing the star tender pose.
The little thigh pose, like yes, bitch.
Don't buy your bundle.
Yes, bitch. Go to Motress on White Place Road.
Motress for all you bald head bitches. Motress is great because they have like a little room that's private.
Oh, so you get like a private wig fitting?
You can try on your private wig. Because buying a wig is like buying a car. You're not just gonna if you want to like test it out. You know, you wanna run up the block real quick, see how it holds on. Snap your neck side to side with a little angle and shit. Like, what? Excuse you?
Call your baby father, argue with the nigga on the phone, like real quick, like see how it holds up.
This nigga see a woman in the mirror like, what?
What? Bitch?
What? It's just a combine for wigs. So all the wigs like, all the wigs are in the ice bath like, woo. She wore us out, nigga.
This Yaki bundle has been performing consistently, and it's amazing.
Look at you high and silky, but I think you just dropped in the standards, my nigga. Like, your vert was not there.
Your latest level is very low.
They need like wigs for guys, but for your balls.
Okay.
What's the most like? There's no hair pattern you can have on your balls that women be like, oh,
that's hot.
Because women get more like they get offended if there's like hair on your balls, but if you have like a Jerry curl or some shit,
some shit,
like
some
about
fire,
to fuck, like,
shit.
you pull out like the spray, and
the activator and shit. Like, yo, I'm about to activate my nuts.
Yeah. You fucking it up. That would be good because then you could use the activator as lube.
You could.
Yeah, because it's like, you know those things in a car wash when your car first comes in, it's just like, whoosh. It's just down there like, right there.
That Jerry curl on the clit. You know what I'm saying?
That you're gonna get a UTI, yeast infection, and
all that.
just toxic syndrome.
Yeah,
just everything.
TSS.
Get it.
You don't even got a tape on it.
TSS sounds a lot more lit than toxic syndrome.
Also, TSS used to be a department store. Remember that? Remember TSS?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bruckner Plaza?
Wow. Wow. You are, wow. Times Square stores. An American chain store.
Yeah.
From 1929 to 1989.
I remember going there as a kid. They had that shit at Bruckner Plaza, and then they changed it to like Kitty City, and I was devastated. Like, I was super hyped.
They had a knockoff store called Finders Keepers, 15 locations for you broke bitches.
Finders Keepers. Yo.
Although it was a discount chain by the 1980s, the main markets were Nassau, Suffolk counties, two of the richest counties in America at the time. 9 of the 12 modern stores were on Long Island, 2 were in Brooklyn on Linden 4th Avenue, in Queens on Farmers Boulevard, and in Metro Mall and Metropolitan Avenue, and another in where? The Bronx. Then it went bankrupt.
Of course it did. Come on.
Damn. Shout out to your mother bought her dress from Times Square stores, and that's how she met your father.
You know what I mean?
They banged to like bankrupt clothing.
You know what I'm saying? Baker clothing and the Erotic City's playing in the background.
Your father looking at your mother like, damn, girl, where you get that from? She's like, Dress Barn.
Dress Barn, man. Yeah, nigga.
You conceived the knockoff clothing, reduced comfortable clothing
You know
for
what
big
I'm saying?
women. Yeah.
I got this shit at fucking nigga.
Don't rip that off. That's Joyce Leslie.
Stop. I got this at Strawberry, nigga.
Oh. Shout out to future generations. Because you're going to be like, Grandpa, how'd you meet grandmother? I was like, yo, she put up the fire Fashion Nova Instagram post.
Yo,
nigga.
bro, that
Like,
shit was hitting, yo. You know what I'm
saying?
saying?
She had to save 20% off discount code. And you know what I'm saying? One thing
Boy.
left to another.
She typed in Cardi at checkout, nigga. She got 20% off.
This is ridiculous. You know what it was?
She got
Your
free
mother had
shipping.
a viral tweet, right? And then after it, she was like, yo, follow me on the gram. So I did. And well, here we are now.
Here we are now.
Here we are now.
Shout out to everybody that does that. That like gets a tweet that gets like more than 5,000 retweets, and it's like, while you're here, check out my SoundCloud.
That's not how it works.
Fam,
That's not how it works.
I'm not doing that.
No, because we came here for one reason.
That's not what the ad tweet function
One
is
fucking joke.
for. Yeah. That's it.
No, just not get your followers off the shit.
I don't want to hear your fucking fusion of grime and whatever fucking dub.
Yeah,
dance
one
all
good
you
tweet. It
trying
was
to
like,
do.
yo, look at this. I was buying a Red Bull and look what I saw. And outside the window of the store is like an actual Red Bull and shit has 30,000 retweets. And they're like, while you're here, my mother needs a kidney. I'm like, nah. I'm here
nigga,
for a Red Bull.
nah.
I'm not here for your mother's kidney.
Fucking go fund me, nigga.
I ain't say I was saying. Like, why would I follow you off for one viral tweet?
Look at
You
it.
have to have consistent viral tweets.
P.O. got one kidney, that nigga's chilling.
Yeah, exactly. He's smoking hookah. He's drinking.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. He's small. He only needs one kidney.
You know what I mean?
He's good. He's good.
Nigga's a kid. Nigga, one
Also,
kidney.
P.O.'s one of the few people in the world that it does not have to worry about getting a new kidney. If P.O. went on Instagram or Twitter right now and was like, my niggas, which you know he's going to start with my niggas. You know he'll start with that.
You know what I'm saying? My nigga,
He's good as that. I need a kidney.
Pero, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need a new kidney for me, you know? Because
Anyone will give him a kidney. I think Lizzo might give him a kidney. That's how popular
I want to see them get together, B.
Don't you want to see that?
Yeah. That's a power couple.
Lizzo loves P.O.
Yo.
CBS 8 p.m. every Monday
You know
night.
what I'm saying? Red carpet. She's just holding a nigga in her arms, like, yo.
She kissed him on our Meadows promo.
Yeah.
Yes, remember. We were there.
Yeah.
I was like,
he initiated the whole shot to him. 'Cause
Yeah.
He was like, you love me, baby? Then give me keys.
Yes. P.O., did you pay the rent? He's like, nah, I spent it on Broca, my nigga.
Damn, my nigga. Yo, hit the
I
hooks.
spent on hookah. She's like, P.O., I'm so sick of you. But you're so cute.
She's in the background of all the viral videos of him like lip syncing, smoking hookah. She's like, this is the 15th time you played this Stinky Jam song. Can you play some of my shit?
He's like, I know fuck a baby. She's like, you my baby.
my
I'm like,
baby.
oh. Just did a laugh track like, oh. Like, there's always P.O. Like, oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Produced by Tyler Perry.
Like, yes. We're laughing. This shit go to like 12 seasons and shit.
Yo, 12 seasons in the
P.O. just getting 20 million every January in syndication.
Kevin James checks.
He's just like, yo, thanks for the idea. I was like, it was like we should make the idea on the podcast. Maybe you want to like give us. Like, he's like, nah.
Like 10%, maybe.
My nigga, why Victor let you give out all those ideas for free?
You have to be more smarter than that.
I'm like, yeah, Victor, how do you feel? And 40 years from now, we find out Victor secretly bankrolled it. Every idea we've had on here, Victor invested in it behind the scenes and shit.
You're gonna be sick when I come out with the Brugal body nuts that Lizzo's gonna be modeling.
No, you know what's gonna be sick? It's gonna be variety. It'll be like new show. DJ Envy and his wife is gonna be like executive produce Victor. And I'm like, wow,
the long con.
You know a nigga. They'll be like the man behind the fro.
Yo, the fro knows.
The fro knows. He gonna be the new Chandra Rhimes. He's just gonna give all our enemy shows and shit.
Victor Lands.
He's gonna be like,
A
yo,
little roller coaster and shit. You see the afro on the roller coaster going up and down?
like a new show with DJ Academics. I'm like,
Yo.
really?
Yo, all these chicks are going to Coconut Oil LLC, B. What's going
Who
on?
is this
B?
here?
Who is this?
They're like, oh, 50% of your check went to, yeah. I'm like,
Soy colombiano. I facilitate and I distribute. It's in my blood.
no.
Okay,
No. Sticking to the wild fucking coke thing with Pusha T. I'm like, what's going on here?
What are y'all niggas doing?
What's going on?
Yo. Pusha T sees Victor. He's like, yo.
He's like, yo, I got that thing for you. I'm sorry.
Oh, my bad. Yo,
Just give me another week.
Can I give you some album copies in advance? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't cut my tongue out, please.
Cardi's like, yo, Victor, that's all we did. We do mad numbers on it and shit. I'm like, what's going on here?
And I'm not all up in the video.
Dancing. Swinging my head. God damn.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Well, you know what it is. Wait, what's today? This is episode 112, right?
Yeah.
112, where the players dwell.
You know what I'm saying? More cash and runs down.
Remember 112? They can't dance for shit. Go back and look at all the Bad Boy
Yes.
videos. They never have it on camera for more than 3 seconds because
Yes.
they can't learn any of the moves.
Yeah. That camera
Also-
guy was a master of jump cuts, guys.
Also, if you get a chance, it's going viral on Twitter. You're going to hear this on Monday. I don't know if you get a chance right now. Please, if you do nothing else, don't even avoid the bookings today. I need you to look at the Catwoman basketball scene.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Yo.
What was going on there?
I don't know what was going on. I know what was going on. Benjamin Bratt had a semi-erect penis.
They said there's 131 cuts in that scene. The scene is not even 2 minutes.
Oh,
131 edits.
Oh, my God.
You know what? Credit to Hallie. She went and accepted her Razzie in person for
She
that.
did, because
So
they said
shouts to you.
they said Catwoman was the worst movie that year, right?
And she went,
Possibly ever.
Ever.
and she went, she was like, yo, I accept this. Like,
Yes.
thank you.
Listen.
Wow. Shout out to her.
You think we're not going to be doing that? Nigga, you think when we do the BT version of the Menendez brothers, you think we're not going to go get our award?
I'm ready.
Yo, Dad, you molested me.
Ooh, fuck you,
That's
Dad.
my line. Also, Tracy Morgan's our father.
He's like, yo, man, y'all niggas is tripping, yo. I'm about to shit on this glass table. Y'all get the fuck out the room, man.
I'm tired of you, Dad. You touch me and Mero.
Yo, come over here. Let me touch that little niggas' little dicks, nigga.
Mero, shoot him. Shoot our father, the comedian.
I'm going to do it.
Shoot him.
I'm going to do it.
Cock the gun and shoot him.
I'm going to cock the gun now.
Let the ballistic materials rip through his chest and inflict death.
Freak you, Dad.
Take that.
Boom.
Oh, he shot him.
Yo, this nigga shot me. This nigga's wildin'.
This is terrible.
Yo, you wildin'.
He's got jam on his chest, but it's blood.
Yo, that's crazy, yo. You shot me in my chest. Now there's mad smuckers on me.
All the Emmy people are like, what the fuck is this?
What is this shit?
Yo,
Victor, you really submitted this for consideration?
bruh, sequel to Finding Neverland is next. And we know who's gonna play Joe Jackson.
Just be beating on my kids and shit. Like,
Oh, it's not you.
Get a line, motherfucker.
Oh, it's not you. I come into the house, I'm like, Mero's been weak. Things are changing. Go with your kids dancing around like, come on, one more time. Say Shalom.
Do you want this
Shalom.
shit? Do you want it?
Say Shalom.
Do you want it? You go outside, Mero 3's just smashing a car like... I'm like, nigga, that was $20,000, goddamn.
Just take one of your kids out of school, put a mad bleaching scream on them, like, tell them you got vitiligo.
Yeah.
Just pushing them mad hard, making them do the lean.
Learn, nigga, learn. Kids like, I tore my Achilles. Lean, nigga, lean.
1, 2, 3. Do you remember the time? Do you remember the time? Got niggas doing the wild chills and shit, niggas sweating and shit.
They got Eddie Murphy in the
Do
background.
you remember now? What about niggas just have the wild stroke and shit. You're like, these, you're pushing them too hard.
Eddie Murphy in the background like,
All right, put your hey, put on your leaves. We're doing Earth song.
No, I think you said it was tomorrow, man.
I'm like, Victor. The street's not lighting up. How are we gonna do the fucking Billie Jean video?
Oh no, I'm not manager for that one. I'm young Michael. Mero's old Michael.
I'm like, 1, 2, 3. The kid is what? Not your son.
Not your son.
Not your son.
Fuck.
Get your lines right.
It's Billie Jean. Billie Jean.
Christ.
God damn.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3. On the Mero Jr. On the 1, 2, 3. Spin. Glove out. Glove out. You know what? Hasan, cut the music.
What? I was on.
You know what? Forget it.
I was on.
Because you know what? There are 4 Meros.
I was on.
There's 4 Meros.
Okay.
Okay? There doesn't have to be 4 Meros, if you know what I'm saying.
Oh.
Okay?
No. I'll do it again. I'm sorry.
Look at your sister. Your sister over here is she's operating she's like 10 years old.
Okay, I'm
and
sorry.
She's like a
I'm
baby.
sorry. I'll do better. Don't put the belt down, please.
Oh my god.
Please put the belt down.
Oh my god.
Just put the belt down.
Just do the laughing part from Thriller. There we go. Ha 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 ha. I'm in just Vegas. I'm like, the Mero kid review. They're like, are you the legal guardian to them? I'm like, why are you asking?
Why are you asking stupid questions?
Why I'm gonna just be able to bring someone's 3 kids to Vegas without their permission and shit.
Come on, like, give me a break.
You know, like the Amber Alert comes over, like Amber Alert. I'm like, that's not that. Listen, any Martinez.
That shit is like beep beep
They're like, look out for 3 martinis. I was like, it could be any 3. They're like, 3 martinis with a Jamaican. I was like, it could be any. It could be Shaggy. They're like,
good?
it's Jesus Nice. Like, it could be. I could be like, that could be any Jesus Rice.
Then they use the wild smiley picture, and you're like, yeah.
They said like, but then you get like 10. You get 10 Amber Alerts after because all my AKAs and shit. Jesus Rice, AKA Jesus Rice, and Young Chipotle. They're like, oh, it's definitely him.
Oh, must be.
That's right. Episode 112. That's right. Come see Mero and the Mero Juniors perform at the Bellagio.
At the Bellagio. I put my head in the tiger's mouth.
Right after J-Lo.
I hope for the best.
He comes out on stage like, I heard a rumor somebody here was from the Bronx, and the crowd's like, woo! Or your kids come out in sequence on hoverboards, like, yeah. Can you feel the moment? Can you feel the moment of the Brugal? Can you feel the future? Can you feel the future? Wow. When you hear a yeah.
I'm waiting to do the fucking Michael Jackson, Janet Jackson Scream video with 2 of the kids. Like, you know? Stop breastfeeding me. Just stop breastfeeding me. Stop.
I'm coming out of nowhere in black, like the wild rip shirt, and me and you, it's your 2 kids, it's me and you doing it, but we're mad winded and shit.
Some of that. Stop.
You can smell the icy hot through the TV screen and shit. You can see the part where I actually turn my AC up.
Gotta cut away, man. Fast.
I do the JV Black Boy shit. I'm like, shoot, shoot that nigga. Sue that nigga. Whose idea was this?
Fuck.
I can't be doing it. No, sue. Jacoby Myers comes in like, yeah. Your Honor.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
We back on Selena Boss fucked up. Jacoby and Myers.
Back on that Jacoby and Myers wave.
You know what I'm saying?
Jacoby and Myers.
Lucharán por usted. You know what I'm saying? That's how they did it. Whenever they throw the fucking Spanish version, they throw that on there.
I always felt like if I was going to a lawyer and I was a Spanish people, I would want their primary shit to be Spanish, not like thrown in at the last minute at the commercial. Like,
yeah, right?
Yo, by the way.
Yo, and they had...
Did you know Jacoby Myers is America's largest full-service law firm?
Oh, wow.
They're everywhere.
So Jacoby and Myers are paid.
This is what they cover: motor vehicle accidents, personal injury, bankruptcy, foreclosure, defective medical devices, dangerous drugs, as opposed to like lit shit. Yeah. Defective products, employment law, medical malpractice, insurance, immigration, workers' compensation, nursing home neglect, social security, disability, criminal defense, and other stuff.
Learn
about dangerous drugs. They own dangerousdrugs.com.
Wow.
What's a dangerous drug? Antidepressants, NuvaRing. Nigga, you might have a case.
Oh, shit.
Be like, yo, 4 times I've been a victim. Like, my nigga, this shit don't work.
She was more like a Nava ring.
They got you can sue for transvaginal mesh.
Oh, that's a new wave.
Damn, look at this fucking graphic. They got Shorty holding her weight, like her
guts, like
Julio won't pick up. Julio, I need my transvaginal mesh.
My mesh, my fucking guts hurt. My mesh,
bitch, my fucking mesh.
To this day, I have I haven't even bothered to Google it. I'm like, what the fuck is transvaginal mesh?
When you have a prolapsed bladder, it pushes the mesh pushes the bladder back to where it's supposed to be.
Oh, so it's like
is
it like a post-pregnancy thing?
It can happen post-pregnancy. It could happen from like fibroids and other stuff. Like,
okay.
Women's bodies are very soft. Like, it takes a lot.
Very soft.
The whole idea, like pregnancy, like we don't give people enough props for pregnancy. It's like it's not that easy to have a baby.
Oh, nah.
Like if you ever see a sitcom and you see white people having babies, you see how difficult it is.
Yeah.
Because white people on sitcoms never have babies on the first try. It's like they have a baby and it miscarries.
Oh, yeah.
Or like they gotta go through like intra vitro shit.
Yeah, they gotta get a surrogate or some wild shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I think my next kid is gonna be a surrogate.
Psych!
Nigga
said next kid.
Next kid, bro.
Next kid.
Every time I have to put something on the microwave now, I make sure that I stand up on a stool and put my balls right in front of the microwave. I'm not having no more kids.
This nigga do it the Dominican vasectomy. Wow.
Just radiating the shit out of my balls. Nigga like, yo, y'all niggas gonna ejaculate, but y'all like gonna ejaculate.
You're too nuts to sitting out there playing dominoes. It's like... With
bachata.
Hey, Bobby, why is it so hot?
Oh my god! I feel my
They just fanning themselves while the microwave is on. Like,
my god!
Oh jeez!
Oh my god! I feel like radiation in my body.
Still got all my sperm though. Yeah, excuse me, the microwave end. I'm going to visit my secret family.
Mommy, let's go.
Yo, prayers up for Mississauga. Y'all had a little bomb there. I think I mentioned this before, but I hope y'all okay. I hope my secret family is okay, and I hope I don't have to like come up there and bury anyone.
Yeah, word up. You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is. But you know what it is?
Keep it lit.
It's been episode 112 with Players 12.
Yeah. Got more cash than Burt. What's got
Burt
Padell? Burt Padell. Yeah.
Wow, that's a
You know what I'm saying?
that's a throwback.
Shout out to Burt Padell.
I'm starting to realize like we're getting to the point where our references we have no idea people have no idea what we're talking about.
There was, you know what's funny? I had no idea because I heard that song and I was like, who the fuck is Burt Padell?
Yeah.
And then I Googled him and he's like one of the first like accountants that was like, or financial advisors to rappers that were like, yo, fam,
See,
like,
shit like
let me
that.
help you out, like, and not get finagled the bagels.
Think about if a 15-year-old when they hear you talking about TSS, you can Google it and be like, what the fuck?
Wow. This is what old New York was
He's like, the world existed before 1990.
Wow, that's crazy. Yo.
That's crazy.
It's like Jurassic Park, nigga.
Them niggas had a dollar number to get the internet.
Yo,
that's crazy.
Fam.
So wait, in order to get the internet, you had to put like a whole ass computer card inside your computer.
What?
Then run that shit to your phone line.
What?
And then that shit would call another phone and be like, ah. You just late at night. You try to sneak on the internet late at night. You're like, yo, okay, silence modem settings. And you just like, yo, you're like, all right, maybe you'll connect fast. I'm like,
why did it make that noise?
that's the AT-DT tone.
My God.
And if you, at one point, because modems weren't fast enough, you could actually replicate that using a whistle. No, you could be able to call exchange boxes and hack them using, if you could make the noise with your mouth, you can access like computer phone relays and like go out from that. That's called like a Captain Crackerjack box or something. So there are different types of boxes. There are purple boxes, black boxes, red boxes, blue boxes. Depending on the color of the boxes, whatever access you could do in hacking. So if you had a black box, you could call into any kind of access point and dial out from wherever. And that's how, back in the day when you were hacking, you go through an access point. Like, so what you would do is like, you'd hack into AT&T and then hack out of AT&T. So when they hacked it back, say the number will come back like, oh, someone from AT&T hacked this, but you weren't through there. So it was like proxies before proxies.
Damn.
Yeah.
So if you make
So my parents were like, wow, he's just being good in his bedroom. I was like,
no.
Nigga, I am deleting all the records at this fertility clinic in Germany. I'm like, this is what I'm doing this summer.
That's right. Motherfucker.
That's right. Episode 112, where the players dwell.
Yeah.
I think we'll call this shit WokeNite.
Yeah.
Yeah, Desus nice. Okay, Desus Vice.
Yeah.
We got to do shit like fucking Quiet Storm.
Quiet Storm.
How you doing? It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Pocket Save Fat Lacterio, aka Yo Chipotle, aka Chris. That's for sling dick.
That's
I'll be
right.
slinging that dick, girl. I'll be slinging that shit out that. I'll be hit the side of your cheek with that dick like you fucking bitch.
Yeah.
Like this dick? Like this mushroom dick?
Yeah. Take that
around.
baby arm over that.
You run around all these mushrooms like you Mario, bitch.
Yeah.
Eli Lippy, put your guns. Slip it at might know you, bitch.
Oh, he might.
Young day party, but don't get it wrong, ma. I got that night party too.
Yeah.
Young hot take. DJ Fuego. Mr. Nando's with a rondo. That's right. Get your chicken, bitch. We going back to the hotel.
That's right.
Keep your fingers greasy. Can't put it right in your choach. 1994 in Nueva York. Yeah, Michael going off. The Juve boss.
Right.
MC. A little Gunga P. But
What?
guess right. The Gunga P ain't that little. Putting up for 40 with your shorty.
Swish.
That's right. Put her right there. She's on black raw.
Splish.
She don't know how to take the dick. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Unless you trying to know me. We have a sexy time, ma.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Our key sweat coming up.
Oh, you going to Gowanus Canal? Oh, yeah, I'm
Word?
trying to get in that Gowanus Canal. How you feeling? Yeah, I hope it don't smell the same.
Yeah, let's go for a swim.
The original my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a plus.
Don't do that.
Don't make a plus one. You know what I'm saying? If I'm just stroking it from the back, my son come through. You know what I'm saying? Just let Mero cook. Desus Rossi, Jamaican Jew. Shalom. Is it me you're looking for? Jermaine, I hope y'all, while y'all listening to this, I have my shirt open. Y'all looking at my chest here. This is very sexy.
Yeah, talk on me.
Jermaine Avocados host.
Yes.
Yeah. Young Pa. Goes to Mufasa. Yeah. Young Shot Coonery. Listen, lady, I'm too smooth for the coonery.
That's right, baby.
My friends call me Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay, I got a little Coke 45. It gets the job done. This is my man, the kid Mero. Listen, you know what I'm saying? It's the 70s. You didn't use condoms, baby.
Yeah.
Put no cocaine in your dick.
You know what I'm saying? You good.
This Vice K Maku's like a 3-phone Jones. I'm talking about the big phones, the Zach Morris shits.
Yeah. All right.
These says Machina. Jay Chuckles.
That's right.
Stanley Cups. The human Dr. Bonner's label dilute.
How many times is that, brother?
3 times, because that's what I'm about to do to that pussy.
Ooh.
'Cause I got on those the velvet cut pants with the boot cut jeans. You know what I'm saying? The Chelsea boots. Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah.
Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry. That's right. I like the chokes with the hair on it. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
That's just blurry. Just shoot it in your house where it's dirty. I see some dust walls in the back.
Oh, that's hot.
Is that a dirt devil? Ooh, I didn't even know they still make those.
Why you put a bandana on your face in the peanut?
Oh, nasty.
Yeah.
DJ Woola, aka listen to Wash FM. Up next, we got Who's That? Solo. Who that? Remember that? Who 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 that? Get up in my crew. I believe she had JT money on that in the bookings.
Shout out to JT money.
The curry goat. Jesus Christ. You guys are like, yo, hurry this shit up, Jesus. Jesus, you are slowing this shit down. You know when you fly on a plane, they're like, yo, we got 20 minutes to debark? And you do it in your head, like, it's been 20 minutes. Why have we got off the fucking plane yet?
Yo, you're not
I said
taxiing.
in an hour, what the fuck?
You're not taxiing.
Jamal. Nah, we're going. Jabasi Lane John. We're nephew, the Moreno. Cannot consider. Herman Ware. Word to Ja. Young Aaron. The Reese Parker.
You know what I'm saying?
Henrik Budcross. Nelson Mandela. Sergio. Can't see me. Where he's at? Where he's at? Play peekaboo. Can't see me. Vladimir Buffin. The Human Weathers. Melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex. The Detective. Ricky C. Squabby. Greg Popovich. More shit. What you said? Mahatma Gandhi. Namaka B.
But it got that what?
Cucumber.
Yeah.
And it's not even chopped up. Lift the skin on it so you can feel it in your mouth. Yeah. Just suppressed, but your boy never is.
Yeah.
Unless, of course, I left my wallet at work. Then I got to, like, go around the city using Apple Pay on my phone. It's like you go certain places and, like, yo, do you even have Apple Pay? And, like, pop, we just have the sticker there. And,
Then
like,
do you trust it? The cloud is like, it's like hackable.
It's connected right to my main account. Like, oh, no. I am the art, damn it. Yeah.
Damn, yeah.
When I come to Comic Con naked, that's what you got to dress as. I am the art. The Dundada Ganoush, no one cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. They got Nigga Nova coming out. We were the original Fashion Nova. If Fashion Nova does not beat the original outfit of a Burberry shirt and fake Diesel sneakers that you could wear to a job interview or a baby shower,
yes.
I don't want it.
I don't want it.
I don't want it.
We're
I'm
not
sorry.
in. We're not in.
We made cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, $1. Forget these small change.
Where you at?
Big money. Shout out to all my people going out to West Indian barbecues coming up soon. Be sure to come through with linen pants and no boxer shorts. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, don't get too big. Don't get too close to the grill. Your kebab, your sausage. You know what I'm saying?
Feel me?
The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
By
the way, for that barbecue,
I went to a Jamaican barbecue once, and this guy was cooking on the grill, and the girl was like, "I love him so much. He's treating me so good." Just to find out, that guy was beating the shit out that girl.
Oh goddamn!
Her brothers had to beat him up.
At the barbecue?
Not the barbecue. Like
oh, damn, that would have been lit.
That would have been lit. I was like, damn.
You get your plate, you eat and shit, you drink, and then you watch
Nothing
the nigga
better
get beat
than
up.
you have a full plate and you watch someone get their ass beat.
Ooh, and you're just like off in the corner, like chilling, watching, like at a safe distance. Yeah.
Prince died?
I might be mad late, but Nicki Minaj is in a relationship with Eminem?
Pardon?
What?
Excuse me?
Nicki Minaj
is in a relationship with Eminem. Anybody in the 313? What the fuck?
Is this fake news?
Scoobity boobity, I'm in the boobities.
What's the
what site did you get that from? From foxfriends.com or
ladbible.com?
Lad Bible. Oh, they kind of reputable. We'll find out. By the time this drops. By the time this so damn, she dropped Nas? Or Nas dropped her? Could you imagine can you imagine a conversation between between Eminem and Nicki?
Oh god.
It's like everybody in 313. She's like, yes, I'm ching chong, a bitch, I'm ching chong.
Ching chong. I wear a raiden hat and I'm a ching ching chong.
Listen, shout out to Colin Kaepernick, because the only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Side, catch me a square one, top left, Man's Mar.
That's right.
Sure,
Cheese me, bro.
Holy cow. Mr. Soft Punks, all I do is count checks and jerk off. You know what I'm saying? I don't
That's
even do the second
right.
time. We got OJ, Pro Stuff Soda, and who is it? It's me, Sonny D. David Yertman. DJ Spencer,
What are they? Yeah.
Smokeem Noah. Andrew Coonan. And that's right, dude. Listen, you better fleet your butthole, because when we fuck, I don't want no Brownsville.
Nah.
Yeah.
The animal.
There you go. AKA the Junior. Everyone's like, why does Steve know that? It's called the internet. It's called the internet, my nigga. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Pat.
Yeah, wine on it.
Maybe I blow up like an android. You never know.
You never know.
Call me Petco, I got your bitch on freeze, and I might possibly kill your dog while grooming it. Mr. Dropping that street easy with bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. And I really be on street easy, dog. I really be on street easy. Mr. Black Asiatic, crack your back like automatic crack. Mr. La Marina, are we going to be back at La Marina for Pizza Zoo June 17th? Is that I believe it?
Shit.
June 2nd, okay.
June 2nd.
Actually, just show up at La
You will
Marina.
be in San Francisco.
You know what? June 17th, just show up at La Marina with a slice. I will let y'all in. I will open the gates. But June 2nd, La Marina at Pizza Zoo. It's a big deal.
Oh,
please,
man,
please,
pull up.
please, listen.
Shout out to Nico, shout out to the whole gang.
Shout out to them. Shout out to Pizza Zoo. They've been doing it hard.
You know what I'm saying?
First time in 4 years, they're back. All I'm asking, and I mean this, my ladies, the night before, when you're waxing your mustaches and stuff, do not pregame.
Duh.
Don't go to Pizza Zoo and start drinking there.
Yeah.
Don't go to Pizza Zoo fucked up already.
Nah, bro.
It's already a zoo.
It's already
It's a zoo with pizza. All Pizza Zoo is Jurassic Park with pizza.
Yes.
That's it. Niggas like, yo.
And mad alcohol.
Right?
You don't
you
need
gonna get
it's
mad
flowing.
drunk and that fucking slice gonna come out like a T-Rex, like, ah!
It's escaping.
I
It's
can't
escaping.
handle it.
Yo, I seen.
It's a Venn diagram. You see it.
You see
it's
it.
like you get drunk and you're like, oh, I'm drunk. What do I want? Pizza.
Pizza.
And a pizza's right there. So you're like eating all the pizza. You're like, oh, I'm mad pizza. What do I want? Beer.
Beer. Now I want more
it's
beer.
it's never ending.
It's a vicious cycle.
Then you're just there for 19 hours.
Yeah.
19 hours.
You know what I'm saying?
So 9 o'clock p.m. You was like, I'm leaving at 4 p.m. 9 p.m. You naked on stage talking, check that money, get that money. Ain't no way you take that money. Niggas throwing pizza at you and shit. Niggas tipping you a pepperoni. You want that?
Yeah? Huh?
You want your only daughter getting mozzarella put in her panties?
That's right.
I don't think that happened.
You crazy?
Also, enjoy the reggae room. Shit's lit.
Say, this shit is
This is
lit.
the best burrito, the fresh burrito, the cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Listen, ma, we could party this summer or we could pay the rent.
You know what I'm saying? It's your choice, man.
House ain't going
You know what I'm
nowhere.
saying? Man to Mexico.
Up next, we got the only man to drop 50 at the Garden when the Knicks weren't playing.
Yes, and by 50 he means any bars. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader. I hop the curb, nigga, on Fordham Road and keep it moving even though they got cameras. I don't give a fuck. I ain't no fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. check the guest list again, motherfucker. I'm on it right there, right next to Rudy Giuliani. What the fuck you mean? My teeth aren't racist enough, man. Yo, I swear to God, if you call me big man one more time, I'm chopping your face. A.k.a. CC Debathia. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I just fucking aggressively shoved another adult out the way to get the last Nintendo Switch controllers at GameStop because they were refurbished, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I need the discount. You know what I'm saying? AKA, because I'm the dad of the year, B. Don't you ever forget it. You know what I'm saying? AKA, bitch smack me on, but AKA, dick in your baby, dick in your baby, Matumbo. You know, come on, this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. It belongs to him. I'll tell you a nice way.
Guess what? Like you know when niggas buy the house?
Yeah.
And they put the sign in the front. It's like, for sale, we're realtor.
Yeah.
G. Evans,
Yeah.
number one realtor in Bergen County.
Yeah.
They just go to your girl's pussy and just take the sign out the
Duh,
garden. Like,
yeah,
off the market.
Nah.
They go on the street, easy app, like,
yo,
no longer available.
under contract.
In negotiations.
AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Accord. Which is really the only reason I have the Accord is so I can drive drunk and crash it. And hopefully not die. The Dominican a Dykeman Daddy, AKA Swipe My Card Again. There's definitely money on it, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We doing it now. We on TV 4 nights a week. We touring. We got merch and shit. So you know niggas got bread. Stop playing with me.
Do we got
You know
bread?
what I'm saying? Don't embarrass me.
We got bread? We got bread?
We got bread.
We got bread. We got bread?
We got bread.
What's bread? What's bread? You know what? This is what I knew we had bread. Because the other day I went to the supermarket. It's whatever. Let's pick whatever.
Yeah, no,
pick whatever.
Don't worry about it.
Ask, okay, this is how you know I got bread. Ask Charlie. Shout out to Charlie, my cat. Charlie, as they say in Spanish, El Gato. Charlie got 5 types of treats right now.
Oh, man.
Also,
all the temptations?
Also, all the temptation, all the smack shit. Also, shout out to Charlie. Charlie, I love you. In all the time I've owned you, I've literally spent at least $50,000 on cat toys for you. I invented this for him. I took 10 rubber bands and tied them together into like a big snake. His favorite toy ever. I was like, nigga, I can save so much fucking money. What's wrong with you? Fucking stupid ass cat.
I went and bought the cotton balls and fucking thing and Petco, nigga, goddamn.
I bought him like a little GoBot and shit. Like the shit like dances and shit. Shit does the nay and shit. He's like, nah.
The same show, Brownie, bro.
that.
There's a whole fucking crate full of toys and it's just this dirty ass ball. that
Yeah.
he likes to play with. I'm like, this shit is disgusting. Like, it's constantly wet. I'm like, I don't know why it's always wet. I'm like, you know what? You lick your pussy and then go play with your ball. You know what I'm saying?
Also, not to cut you off, this is the freakiest thing I just found about Charlie, and it's disgusting. Charlie is obsessed with my Q-tips.
Oh.
He's been taking every Q-tip I've ever thrown in the garbage can out of them, and he's like hiding them behind the couch.
Oh.
That's weird.
That's
Because you know that when you see your pet do that, and you see it, you're like, and he's looking at me like, yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
He's like, I like your earwax.
That tastes good.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
Why don't you make some more of it with your sweet lips?
Yeah.
I'm like, oh shit.
And from now on, nigga, you sit down when you pee.
I'm like, nah, chill. I paid the rent here. I'm just like locking the door at night when I sleep. I'm like, nah, like we're not sharing the bed now.
Nah.
Wake up, this nigga watching me like,
This is my hut, nigga.
I always feel like somebody's watching me. That's me, nigga. I'm watching you. I'm Rockwell, nigga. Yeah.
And I'm not D-Claw, nigga. I'll claw your fucking eyes out.
Also, random. Shout out to our nigga Pete Davidson dating Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
Listen,
it's like, dating is like...
everyone's dating up. Nicki Minaj with Eminem. Pete Davidson with Ariana Grande.
Damn.
I feel like this is the time for me to announce, yes, I am dating BTS.
Oh, nice.
I'm dating all those Asian guys. Yes.
When you said BTS, I'm such a piece of shit. I'm like, oh,
Behind the scenes.
Oh, behind the scenes? What a
Behind the
joke.
scenes. You know, when Shorty's washing her shit after.
Yeah,
I gotta get out of here.
She got back cum on her face. She's in the shower. She's
Like,
like, yeah,
it's
you know,
wow.
this is a great scene.
They're like,
I
did you
love
enjoy this? She's like, yeah, I'll get paid for it.
Yeah,
It's
it was lit. I've worked with Prince before. He's cool. I don't know about the Timberland thing and the knee pads, but it's okay. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me black out. I'll kiss your girl in the mouth at United Palace, nigga. Play with me. AKA Latin El Duchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got fine. And bro, we're not putting angel dust in the blunt, bro. Just because you came through with the shit, that's not your contribution to this shit, bro. I'm off that, nigga. Last time I smoked the shit, I just sat there and high tide came in and wet me. You know what I'm saying? You know how long it takes for the tide to come in, you fucking cowards? You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. AKA feel the excitation. I'm trying to explore your cosmos mind, especially the Milky Way. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zay no better feel. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Yo, Peel moving the coals, man. That nigga's out here. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your buttocks with helium balloons because you are light work, you jive turkey. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker. AKA I open your medicine cabinet, nigga, because you hide your secure your benzos, nigga, because you know who it is. It's the Zen Man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Nupo, AKA Nino Brown, AKA live from Jimbo's live from Food Bazaar on Bruckner Boulevard. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. Yeah, please keep your panties on. They're very big. They're very large. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. I wanna do this show so I can get your Julio.
I think your auntie's in the fucking owl pop pocket and shit. Like,
Hey,
do Dope Sick Love.
yeah, do it. Top Secret. Come back to me.
Oh my God, I love this song. I left Michael Anthony at home for this.
Maria.
Ow!
That's not even your song. That's not even your song.
Oh, I love this.
Bobby, I don't care. I'm trying to get this money. I'm trying to get this money.
Oh my God, this reminds me. Listen, just as a side, I'm sorry. This is Bodega Hive. I'm sorry. This is Michael Anthony's mom. I'm sorry to break up the AKs. I used to live in Arthur Avenue.
Yeah.
There was this Dominican guy. He had the biggest platino I know. He used to break my shit open.
Oh,
when I tell you,
God.
he used to crack my shit.
My God.
Oh my God.
Oh, my God.
Listen, you talk about your mama's sauce? Yeah, my nana's sauce was over here.
Oh,
But
my
back to the
God.
AKs. Back to the AKs. Do your thing, Mero. I'm sorry. Wait for Julio to call. I'm just got excited. I'm sorry.
I know how it feels. Okay, pulling up for 40. It's your boy, Barbelos Anthony.
For 3.
Bang! Yo, listen, man. If you see me at Target, bro, and I'm just like,
Is that Mero?
yeah, I'm just like,
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Yo, it's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
guy from that show.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the Puerto
Hey,
Rican-
listen, man.
It's the
look,
Puerto Rican guy from
no,
that show.
Hey, first of all, I'm Dominican. Second of all, like, you see me opening.
big fan. I watch show every night.
I'm Mero. I'm Mero.
What?
I'm Mero. Also, I'm trying to eat the sunflower seed behind the camera so the
Wait.
camera doesn't catch me. You know what I'm saying? And
You're
then I'm gonna
Mero?
just dump it off on the side. Yes. It's the Dominican one and the Jamaican one. The Dominican one is me.
Wait,
You know what I'm
y'all
saying?
you from Vice
Jesus.
then, right?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I know you from Stud Etiquette.
Oh, okay. Cool.
all
Thank
right,
you.
sorry.
I appreciate
All right,
you.
well,
Thank
this
you.
was a waste of
You want to
time.
take a picture or something?
No, fuck that.
Nah,
That shit's not even basic cable. Drop
Oh man, you know what? Fuck
that.
y'all, man.
that. Fuck that.
Oh,
Paying
man.
$5 extra a month for this shit.
man.
Like the show Weed and Pizza.
Fuck out of here. Okay, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Murphy's oil, soap, and Nike. We'll talk about look at my drip. Look at my drip. Used to be blood, but now I'm a crip. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, dime la pista, coño, que llegó. ¿Qué es lo que? El rey de las gordas. You know what I'm saying? That's not me. That's bullying. But, ¿qué es lo que con qué es lo que? Dame luz, que estamos oscuros. Llegó el hijo de Tita y FIFA, el rey del Bronx. Más frío con el que un malito, más caliente que un fogón. Más duro que la panza de Bartolo, coño. Estoy bajando heavy. Yo soy el motor de este vehículo. No te confundas, papi. Llega la grasa. Shout out a todo lo de lo mío. El playlist del verano viene pronto. Activen la juca. Mama hueva. You know what I'm saying? Got that playlist coming out, you know what I'm saying? For all your hookah needs. You know what I'm saying? Keep an eye out for that.
Big things are going. Big things are going.
Yeah, that's right.
Yo,
You know what I'm saying?
Anthony Bourdain's a savage. He really does not like. Well, I mean, Anthony. No one likes Weinstein,
Yeah.
but he just printed out the federal correctional facilities, like the menu for the next week.
Woo!
Yeah, he was like, enjoy your meal before the larger convicts take what they want.
Ooh,
Said-
damn.
And that's the type of energy we try to bring every week
That's
on
right.
the show. You know
You know
what it
what I'm
is.
saying?
You know what it is. Because listen, it's the Bodega Boys, the illustrious brand. Nothing will break that shit up.
Yeah.
You're just getting bags out here. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, like, we're just out here chilling. Because, you know what? I mean, like, and no promo for anyone. The only TV show we promo, and like, say, if Mero and his wife want to get a show, we promo that. We ain't going to promo no else's show.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't even gonna do that because niggas got bags, boy.
Niggas got bags.
You know what I'm saying?
Duffel bag, boy.
Dang.
Yeah. Episode 112. Want to
Yeah.
rest in peace to, oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Really?
Oh, my God. Oh.
Hold on 1 second. Nah, this is, like, for real.
What?
Oh, shit. Prince died.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yo, turn the mics off.
I'm sorry.
We got to go home. We got to go home.
It's episode 112.
That's it. Episode
Sorry, guys.
112. Sorry.
Sorry,
Oh,
sorry
my
leave it on a
God.
sad note. We out!
Oh, peace.